Get harder. That's right, 150K, and maybe we'll flip a coin on tomorrow's pre-market prep. No, just kidding.
We do 250,000 likes, he'll advertise at the UFC match.
Half a million
On
likes,
July
and he'll
4th.
go live on Saturday.
No,
Yeah.
on July 4th at the UFC at the White House.
No, yeah, dude. I saw the fucking screen for that. All right. Anyway, let's go ahead and do this. Let's do it. Oh yeah. So we'll cover this anyway, because there's going to be somebody who's asking. But those of you who took the punchback on Snow into earnings through the empty space with the potential for a 205 target, you got a fuck ton more. Welcome to Big Cash. Right now, maintaining and holding that floor that you reclaimed right around 232, 235. It's going to be most important here. But take motherfucking profit. Massive gain, massive percentages. Congratulations if you got that. Is it too late to get into meta, brother? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Anyway, so taking a look at Spy, we are opening up in motherfucking range. Now, still thinking that this is representative of a little bit more heavier, right? You're heavy at the top. That ass is getting fat in the sky, and it's eventually going to drop. Tap at the highs if we are unable to hold price. This is what I'm looking for today because I'm seeing that kind of weakness there. If do I want to trade the fucking SPY or most of the ETFs? Fuck no. Am I going to use them to hedge if we see some sort of pullback or anything of that nature, or if I see a day trading opportunity? Of fucking course. I have a busy day ahead of me, but if the opportunity arises, I will. I do think that it would be wise for those of you who are trading it to box this shit up. Look at the area underneath you. There, it's pretty straightforward, right? Candle close right there, so it is a separate low from where you're sitting. But ultimately, there's a gap fill down there and a potential for 744. If we did pull back, let's take a look at the cues. It is 9 o'clock. Okay, why things just pop up? Yeah, that's what she said. But yes, why do things just pop up? Because people buy them, brother. That is why. They just
We
pe-
had data at 8:30. That's why.
data, earnings, catalysts, good story. All right, so for the Qs, same deal, right? And honestly, with 3 taps off the bottom, it would make for a reliable area. So I would actually watch this morning because I can kind of see it up to no fucking good. Watch this 733.50 kind of like pop. You could blow past it, but if you could pop that, and if we lose this, the more times you tap a floor, the more times I don't question it as a stop loss and a reversal level. So be sure to check that out. IWM, obviously being our cup of tea, has a bigger gap, right? And it would just be the open you would be targeting here directly to your left. Yeah. Honestly, you guys, if you know how to use the Potter box, you should be able to navigate this one pretty well, in my opinion. I think in pre-market here, bouncing off of the box underneath you there. And again, it's pre-market. So, but that being said, anything above 291, and we have the structure up above you on the 30-minute, again, sometimes it's not even worth trading this shit if it doesn't appear clear to you. We are opening up in range. So, anyway, moving on to more important things. So we'll be watching the ETFs today. But again, priority goes to the winners. Speaking of the winners, let's go through the watch list, starting with McDonald's. Nope. Let's go over here. Now, not all of these have I entered. A lot of them I have. So we're going to obviously be watching this one today. It made itself abundantly clear about where it didn't want to go, and it's done that before. So I'll be watching that 282 for surety to look for a price to break up into the highs of 285 and potentially 289 or, yeah, 289, 290. So still watching McDonald's, Dollar General's looking.
They already did it, bro.
I know. So I had contracts that I'm gonna be honest with you guys got kicked right in the dick. I mean, there's no other way to put it. I had yesterday. Let's see, Dollar General 112 calls, and I'm actually surprisingly they were. I say kicked in the dick, but they were down 28%. Um, so that's over with, and the trade's done. And you missed it. That's okay because Dollar General I don't know, dude. It's not that crazy. It's not, that big of a
The other one too. What's the other one? Not Dollar General.
Victoria's
Dollar
Secrets.
Tree.
Dollar
Yeah.
Tree.
I'm just
Dollar Tree
joking.
actually had earnings too, so that's why I'm pretty sure that shit fucking moved.
I moved from doing options to futures with your strategy, and it is so good.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh yeah,
Those
dude.
contracts suck though on Dollar General.
You're
Those
so
spread
good.
was shit.
Hell yeah, they do. This is probably going to, dude, it's going to be like, I don't know, man. It's not going to be good. It's like trying to make love to a can of Spam. All right. eBay down. Oh, I haven't heard of it, or I haven't seen that one.
Can of spam, huh?
All right. GPRN Groupon. What are you talking about? Like I
The other
said,
one, not Dollar General. It was I think Dollar Tree.
what, does it look good or something?
It had earnings.
Hey!
50
Oh,
Yeah.
shit!
Yeah.
The tree grew.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
It
it's a.
sprouted.
I say 117.80 there. Damn, that is a delicious coquito latte. Coquito latte. Oh my god. Put the coconuts in my mouth. All right. I'm sorry, guys. I've made so much money. I'm just losing it right now. I told you guys I was going to crash out. UPS 104, 104.85, 50% mark of the range has been hit. So this trade's virtually fucking over, but there is a potential to punch through that. So keep that on the radar. Path, I'm trying to move as quickly as I can here. Path is up, right? I believe it has had earnings, so it has a target of 11.85. That's boring and dumb. Let's see, did IBM get back up there? No, it did not. Actually, it's looking pretty good this morning, but more importantly, Meta! No, Meta is not over. Obviously, this one of the targets that I talked about last night was 645. I'm going to reduce some risk today, around 647 as well. But yes, I want the empty space, of course. Now, before we get into this, of course, there's going to likely be, at some point, a pullback or two, right? And one of the things that we unfortunately left say left behind, but it is at 7:45. The bell rang at right there. So technically, gap fill would be a retest, right, off of that high or off of that previous. So watch that 635. I mean, we'd like to stay above pre-market highs, but if you did swing this one, good job. Congrats. Hello, kitty kitty. Hold on one second. I got to pick up this big chungus. You want some star time? You want to be on camera? Oh, it's Garfield. Look at this big chungus, dude. God damn, that's a big cat. Now that I see her on camera, I feel kind of ashamed. All right. Anyway, I'm looking for this one to try to go and fill up the remainder of the empty space to the upside. It is a tall motherfucking order to ask for 650. Meta will fill the order for fucking sure, so I'm going to leave some runners on the table to make sure I can capture that. But 648, 647, he wants lasagna. Yeah, tell me about it. All right. Oracle. Obligatory fuck you on Netflix. Yeah, I am on YouTube. Yeah, Oracle hasn't really done anything but watch for a bounce today off of 193. So keep your eyes peeled on that bad boy. Netflix, I am still watching it. There's no fucking point. Again, we can watch it under. I mean, you could look at it short. We talked about it dropping potentially to 87 and then beyond down to that 86.50 and maybe to 85.50. What do you do when you open in range? I get the fuck out. Bro, great combo last night. Neo chart blew my mind. Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. All right, Tesla. Sorry, guys, I got a lot to go over here. Gap fill. We did gap down overnight, but of course, this does fucking put you basically in between like two pretty important levels. So there's no compromising this morning, or at least down here. It's so weird. It's honestly like a little weird for Tesla to have moved like this, but the way that I'm looking at it right now is kind of like this, where your price is trying to stay up above. So on the 15-minute here, kind of look for these structures or these floors right here to be recovered. Otherwise, you might be ping-ponging in between the two. I don't really like this one for a day trade unless it can push through one of the motherfucking other. So, all right, guys. I don't want to go SoFi, I'm watching it. It's been maintaining its uptrend. It's got a fat gap to the underneath it. So if it doesn't have the volume to get up and make a new high, I'm looking at a potential 1650 target that could potentially get hit today. Yeah. What the fuck is COHR trying to do? I can't find out a good narrative to it. Let's see. SMCI. No change on that one. Just why I think this one's going to build sideways. CRM. Okay, earnings came out. We're still watching this one today, but do watch it, obviously, potentially trying to go and break down underneath the floor. But other than that, all right. I just wanted to get, you guys know what's most important to me. Meta, you know, I'm going to be checking out Path, UPS, Netflix, which is on the motherfucking back burner. Tesla is still on my list of things. McDonald's, Dollar General. I guess I'm going to be taking profit on Dollar General. What the fuck? But anyway, mostly focused on Meta.
Hey, don't forget NVIDIA, man.
Oh yeah, NVIDIA did have a pretty good motherfucking setup. Yeah, again, my only issue with that one is you better hit the fucking gas on that one, and I need to see that gas pause until we get, or so we can get to the 220s, because yesterday's price action was shit piss. So all right, guys. If you have anything, listen, I can't go super in depth. I'm gonna let you know if it's a fucking uh a good play, or I don't see where your target is on the chart. So if you want to go ahead and let me know, no fucking shit. Did we just not talk? That was okay. Yeah, yeah. 1605. Nice. Hell yeah. And then of course, you know, those of you guys who snowlicious, congratulations. Tesla not making a move overnight kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie. I did. I'm probably gonna get fried on these, but I did buy Unity software yesterday. Mad cheap, so pretty happy about that. But I'd like to see if this thing can fucking pop the fuck out today. It's got mostly empty space up to 29 to 80. But more importantly, right, it's got all this empty space to the upside. So no Tesla gap fill already pre-market. I I mean, look at it. Look at how it's, I mean, it's great curl, retest, pop. If you can get back up above and break through the structure over here, you'll be moving to the upside. So, Nunya, make sure you drop those requests in the, um, in the chat bubble. All right, Mike, I'm assuming you're wanting me to look at that MVTS chart of yours. The chart looks fine to me. The floor looks perfect. Oh, how I feel about the box that you're currently in, but oh, okay, I get that. That was kind of more of a range. Shit. It is 9/11, so please.
Oh no, Potter, I only had posted that one. That one was I had charted it before the drop that filled that empty space. So I was just saying that it had it did retest that empty space that it left
Okay.
behind.
And listen, those of you guys who are new here, we're gonna be tightening the fucking belt next week even more. Listen, I want you guys to stop dropping charts. I want to see your charts, right? But for a lot of you folks, I want you to start typing this stuff out, right? And there's a lot of apps that you can use, talk to text, your phone, anything of that nature, I want you to start narrating this shit and not just in your mind. And I know you guys do that in the study room, but when you're dropping your request, especially if you have a really well thought out play, the more detail you give me, the better. The more detail you give me, the more you're going to learn from every if you just say up, down, left, right, I'm doing all the work, right? I can just see that you have drawn a box. But drawing a box and just saying up doesn't make you money. Being able to narrate and discern why. So anyway, I just want to make that clear because, again, my job is to help create independent traders, and that's why you're here. So 11:56, if you're looking at that one, let's see your 30-minute chart. Okay, so going to go ahead and correct you on this, brother. If there is a separation in structure, even if that means the box above you has failed, I'm going to give it that separation in structure. So you're on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, got to give it the separation of structure, especially when you have multiple points of contact like that. You can't, yeah, it's perfect. It's fucking perfect. So make sure you separate when price has boundaries. Don't allow for those to cross all the time. So. Yeah, that motherfucking discount that we have is going away, man, because listen, you sit and watch these streams, you're going to catch a discount. I'm telling you right now. So probably after today. Lemonade to the upside. I've been keeping my eyes on this one, but honestly, with that fucking wick out and then pull back, that's just telling you. Whenever I see those wicks, that is the message to me that you didn't have enough then, and you got to build or consolidate or create that volume in order to see any sort of continuation. So doesn't mean that you're gonna completely dump, but it does mean that in order for you to hold up your end of the bargain, or hold price up rather, which you already punched through this box as well. That's yeah, dude. I'm gonna be honest with you. This thing looks like shit right now with that wick up and pull back. So you're going to need to, like we talk about with every single setup, right? You need to be escaping the cage. The cage is right here, right around 57.60. And then unfortunately past that, you would still have the 58.15 area to cross as well. So what's wrong with Poet? What do you mean what's wrong with Poet? Nothing's wrong with it. It's got a little pocket of empty space up there. It's got a gap up there as well. It's got empty space below you. I mean, it's got volatility. All you have, dude, this shit is rinse and motherfucking repeat. It just like everything else. Let it box up, it expands, right? We get a pullback, kind of see a little bit of sideways consolidation. Bam, sideways, pop back up. Sideways, pop back down. So you got empty space under there. It's not bad. All right, Nike up. Got a break. There's no way. Okay. Okay, that's weird. I did that in the morning yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. I got memory issues sometimes. That's the fucking signal. That's it. It's 46.60 candle close hourly or 46.86. And I'm gonna be honest with you, with the 1-2-1-2 and knowing Nike's, we need to see a good push up and out of here. So keep an eye on that one. Set a good stop loss. Stop being nervous, by the way, for those of you guys who buy good expirations and all that other shit. Stop being nervous to get into your damn trades. If you can find a stop loss, you know where to get out, and that eliminates the fear. Fear is we don't know. So no. Design your waterfront retreat. All right, who the fuck sent my information to... unsubscribe? Thank you. All right, 9:15 here. Nike. Will it go to 39.50 today? You know what I want to hear from you, Supri? I want you to tell me what it's going to do next time. All right, I want you to come in here and I want you to be like, Potter, shut the fuck up. It's going here. Fuck your Potter box. You know what I mean? But I'm also using it. Firstly, you are inside of a clear range, right? Very clear range, top and bottom. that makes your job motherfucking so much easier, right? So the question is, will it get there? Yes, this is a read and react scenario. I would assume yes. And I would also assume that you would want this fucker to pull back, scare the shit out of people, and then punch back and make a new high. So yeah, I do see the potential. That is what we look for when we're looking for the potential for price to keep moving. And then with a smooth and not very volume filled runway, it looks fucking good. It looks fucking good. Oh my god, dude. This goal stupid accounts. Someone above commented there is something wrong with it. This guy said poet. This is why this man is broken. Oh, don't fucking worry about that idiot. Yeah, don't worry about that. I could give a fuck less what anybody on this goddamn internet thinks about me or my analysis. Go fuck yourself. How about that? Seriously, I've been doing too much of this shit. I would, yeah, go find a fucking pine cone and sit on it. LDOS. I haven't looked at that one in a while. Yeah, bro, you get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Actually, let me just go ahead and block that dumb fuck. I'm just gonna be doing it like that. All right. So you got a target up of maybe 140 again whenever you drop into something or Okay, so 1, 2, motherfucking 3. You are getting the bounce. You look over to your left on the weekly, and that was your previous floor, and I have absolutely nothing else. 138 is also a kind of a subfloor right here. But other than that, everything's going to be reliant here on lower time frames because you don't have the ability to navigate and know like, okay, well, if this thing pulls back, where would it bounce? It would bounce more than likely 129, or if we are again on the 2 hour, that box is relatively clear. This range is relatively clear. So I'd be looking at 133. I mean, this should be smooth moving above 133.26 to that 135. So stumbled upon your channel, love the content. Is there a difference between the workshop and the Discord? Yes, the workshop is every educational aspect of the strategy that I created from top to fucking bottom. And there's no way into my Discord without it, unless you get the monthly, which if Ivy put that back up, you guys have the ability to check my Discord out before you buy it, and I'm not doing monthly again after this month. Probably ever. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, do I produce music? No, but my son is going to. I mean, I make music, yeah. I love playing music, but I'm not like a fucking music producer or anything like that. My son is going to be the one who's more talented than I am. He's already fucking crushing it. All right, guys. Let's see. LDOS. Potter, can I check SoFi? Monthly is not an option on my website. Ivy, can we get that back up just for the... This is the last month I'm doing it. I'm not doing any more monthlies. I mean, some people paid $80 and made 10 bands. You know what I mean? Like, you guys got your money's worth for sure. You see how we operate. You see how we work. You see the study group. So after June, July, back to normal. Because, again, this is commitment, and I need that from people, not people trying to just kind of take shortcuts, which is, unfortunately, the inevitable outcome of doing something like that. So, hey, Potter, McDonald trend lines down. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. But the workshop is the most important thing that I have to offer, period. So if you don't want to hear me talk anymore, well, that's too bad because you have to watch the workshop. But if you that would be my primary focus is that. So copied your Groupon setup last week, just signed up for the workshop. Selden Planet in the Discord. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go. Cool. Workshop is worth every penny. Yeah. It is. All right, Reddit, empty space to the upside. Brother John, if I get in this with you, are you going to keep me safe? Will your goodwill protect us? Brother John? Yes, God will be God will be with it. Okay. All right. Consider it done. I like the 24-hour candle outside of 161. Let's look at the weekly. Okay, we got a floor to potentially go and reclaim. And yes, guys, there's a big fucking pocket of empty space up there. And you've already retested some of this undercarriage, if you will. But I mean, the weekly looks bitchin'. I mean, if equity, yeah, something like that. Yeah, working on it. Yeah, thank you guys for the gifts, by the way. You guys don't have to do that. I appreciate it. But yeah, the weekly looks good. I just would like to see it kind of like in relation to the most recent candles, like these things right here. It's like, I'd like to see you be above those candle closes. And then you look at it on the 24-hour and that's how you get that done. So that would be step one in kind of moving to the upside here. Where 167 would be the next target. And then you got, like I said, some pretty fucking smooth runway. And if this is trying to create some sort of channel, which I don't think we have the real full picture on this quite yet. I think it could look something more like that. But anyway, can I take a look at now? I'm gonna do a speed run, okay? I can't spend a whole lot of time on this one. Yeah, this one actually bitching trade, by the way. Bitching trade, by the way. Looks pretty good actually, with a candle close or open. It's not above, but it is outside of 106.50. Target to the upside still remains at 111, which I think we were talking about when we were in it. But other than that, you still have to clear that overhead high. So if you don't have that juice to get over 108.90, you're cooked. Did I miss SoFi? No, I think I just gave half-ass analysis because I'm a little angry. We need to, honestly, I told people this yesterday, if SoFi falls fast to 1555, I will buy it. Folks in the study room are talking about Walmart. Okay, look at that one after BTU. I'm trying to go as quickly as I can. I'm going to be taking some motherfucking profit today, as you might guess. I'm going to be taking profit. I know a lot of you guys are about to have a kick-ass day. Listen, you're going to feel FOMO today for some reason, one or another, possibly. Feel it. Don't react. You're going to feel frustrated, maybe. Feel it. Don't react. Focus on the good plays. You might even feel too happy, gassed up, saying weird shit. Focus. Lock in, okay? Especially if you're needed. BTU up to 31. Well, yeah. Looks like it's ripping, my boy. Right now. Up to 31. Between you and that request, yeah, dude, I mean, you got empty space up there. I think this is a pretty important floor at 2767, so as long as you can maintain that. It's not super clear structure, but it's enough. That candle closed right there at 29 or 28.93 would be priority here. I'm trying to go quickly, guys. Sorry. Yeah, build the FOMO callus. So many people try to run and avoid it. It's something that you can build a callus to. So, yeah, actually,
Wait, so you gotta keep doing it over and over again, watching it.
man, dude, I actually have very brief moments where, like, I even am proud of how patient I am with my kids. I'm like, dude, 10 years ago, bro, I would have been fucking like, what are you doing? You know? So it's like a big difference in like seeing yourself not respond. The callus builds, and then all of a sudden you are what you didn't think you could be. It's good stuff. The best thing I've heard you say is wins can still feel like burnout. Yes, dude. I've had weeks where I'm like gassed out. It's either that or the 15 milligram pouch. Oh my God, that thing hits sometimes in the morning too hard. Yes, it has two boxes directly up above it. It does look good. I do suspect that, like most earnings or most runs on Walmart, it's going to build us, right? It's going to give us a build. So, you know, maybe even adding a good expiration down here would be really the move, because yeah, you have a great move up, potentially up to 130 if you can hold this floor up. So yeah, you do feel joy. I'm so excited. Yeah, I mean, I get excited for when people catch huge trades in here. It's absolutely amazing. Just real people making fucking real money. It's not supposed to happen. I'm looking for a swing above 188. Okay, 188. Now, let me ask you a question on this one. So, let me get rid of all of this. All right, a couple of minutes. So after this one, I'm going to break right over to meta. I'm going to be focused on meta here. I'll take you guys' request during the day if I have the availability to do so. Groupon, obviously, a couple of other things. Yeah, it's a pouch. Yeah, I'll be here with you guys. Randy's here. Say hi to Randy. Randy's here? You been asking him where Randy is, dude. Randy's here. Let's go. All right. So CVX right now, man, it has the higher high or the higher lows. It is trying to maintain an uptrend and more importantly, the floor. But that being said, if I look at this with my strategy, one of the things that I'm not super fond of is when you dunk back into a box like this and kind of, you're stuck. So bullishness, if you say 188 to go long, are you aiming for like a gap, or are you trying to take this thing all the way back up? Because if that's the case, I would almost be looking at trying to snag a entry sooner, like perhaps off of 185, because there's empty space up to 188. So there might be a better opportunity to take it to there. You got a gap fill at 191, and then if you could get over this right here, I think you'll be on your way. So, all right, 30 seconds, guys. Everybody get ready. Not you being a nicotine influencer? Yeah. Ellie, God, dog. Lord have mercy. If you quit taking nicotine, if you quit nicotine, you might become no. Nicotine has been nicotine's been there for me. Ding 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 ding. Oh man. Looking for, I don't care if there's a pullback here on Meta. Nvidia is breaking into that empty space. Watch a 214 target here. Stop losses are only available at this 213.35. So keep an eye on that. Again, when I say that, that means you got to dive in to that 3-minute stop losses to 12.32 if you have any time behind it. But you're looking for a break over that overhead high up to that 214 target there, maybe even more. How we looking? How we looking, Snow? Snow? Speechless. KSS is moving here. Yeah, KSS is kind of squeezing. I have a target of 17 on that one.
So 5 moving down.
Sorry, I fell back asleep. What happened?
Take profit on fucking Snow, dude.
It's 5,200%. It's fine.
5,200%.
Holy.
Yeah, you can't trap me, Meta. I wasn't about to fucking. I want to pull back on Meta. I want the pullback first. I want to fall fast, and then I want to bounce, and then reclaim, and then shoot out and fire into the rest of that empty space. So, all right.
Only 5,200%, bro. Come on, you're not even.
Yeah, dude, step the fuck up, bro. By the way, Netflix has that 85-40 target underneath it, so keep your eyes peeled on that one as well. Okay, so we're looking at 655 if this thing can bounce. Oof, those contracts got beaten the fuck up. Am I doing options here? Yes. Well, we do options, I tell you what. But this strategy is good for everything. Yeah, happy snow day to those of you guys who caught that snow trade. Great job. Fucking great job, dude. Holy shit. There you go.
I still haven't trimmed it. I want this punch back over all this box.
Not even a trim, bro? Come on. Not a baby twin?
Oh, you're watching Netflix?
I'm watching it down. Yeah. That would empty space to 8550. Obviously, I want to see how it holds that floor. Watching Meta. Obviously, Meta has the potential to go and pull back here. Watching this one really, really closely.
I'm also getting alerts on shop right now. I don't know.
Broncos pushing, Poppy. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Buenos dias. I'm not gonna lie, I just bounced the shit out. All right, Meta, I've got a stop loss on a re-entry here at my pre-market low of 631, which I kind of expect. I do not know how some of you guys trade on your phones. I really don't. I don't know how you guys do that shit. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yo, I just got an alert on TRMB Trimble. Okay, that doesn't. That's not useful at all. Fuck SoFi. Is it falling fast? Yes. Okay, unfuck it. That's what I wanted.
Add more?
That's what I'm looking for. I mean, I kind of wanted the gap fill. I'm not gonna lie to you. So low speak. There's a good chance that Meta could pull back underneath here and go to 623. So make sure if you're in this, you have the capability to get the full gout. Fucking me. Hood pull back. Yeah, Hood did pull back right there. Unity software still sitting up at the highs here. I'm not watching IWM right now, but it is going yeah, it is dropping into the top of a box with the next level being that 288.25. All right. And I'm out. Okay. Bounce Meta, stop out. And then this right here is going to protect any sort of continuation to the downside. I'm going to zoom down a little bit further until I find the structure that I need, which is on here on the 45 second. Again, we fell. Yeah, I'm watching NVIDIA as well. Just also, I'm managing. If anybody's in NVIDIA, I'm looking at that 214.86 target, like I talked about. I'm just watching Meta because obviously I'm invested, but it does look like it wants to fucking pull back on me here, and I'm gonna have to fucking look at a potential hedge before I let it just fall down without me. We getting out of Meta? I'm new here, but I saw you were hype about Meta. Yeah, if you go look back on my page, I called the Meta trade out before it even happened. I said, are you guys ready to make a fucking bag on Meta? And we made a fucking bag on Meta. It's looking good here on Nvidia's moving really well. Little day trade there. Staying patient on Meta as well. Not jumping the gun. Don't get overexcited, overzealous right now. I didn't even realize my mic was muted for just TikTok or Discord. 5,200% is what they're up on the snow.
Talk about no FOMO this morning, but 5,200% kind of makes your mouth water a little bit.
It does. We've been there, man. Dude, you know how people were acting after I hit 40,000% on ANF? People were like, what the fuck? Like, just what the fuck was the only real, yeah. They were like, what the fuck? And I'm like, I'm going to keep, I've been saying the same thing since then, though. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again and again and again and again. And now it's just so fucking repetitive because I just won't take anything else. I just don't want to fucking participate in the hot dog water. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I know what you mean. I've been watching you do it, dude.
Like, dude, I'll
You're
wait.
live for 2 years. I've been watching you do the same thing, preaching literally the same thing for 2 years. It's insane.
Yep.
You're so consistent.
Discipline.
And handsome.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Arm is going crazy. Am I getting out of meta now that it's going down? No, that's not what I'm doing. Right now on meta, honestly, with the, again, this is a free trade. I did bounce it, but it didn't, and that bounce didn't work. But no, I'm not getting out or like getting out of the runners because of this, right? I actually am fully prepared to let some of these pull back enough, you know, into, I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. There's the 628.37. I already grabbed a little hedgerino just in case, but I mean, I meant to say this last night. There is a real possibility that we just hit the imbalance, which I had a target of 645. So shoot me in the face. Sorry, I missed it by $1, but there's no guarantee if you stop at cost base or at the imbalance. So, you know, my hope here is that we do fall, but when we fall fast. We find our floor quickly, right? Because we have the wick right here that could serve as a great area to retest, as well as the first area of consolidation, right? That is right around the 625. If we could fucking sell off, I'll do it all over again. I'll double the fucking the runner position, maybe triple it, and bounce the fucker again. But obviously, I trust myself to do the right thing. And I'm also not trading on my phone, so if you, I mean, I do sometimes, but it's usually just taking profit. Do I have stop losses on my hedges? Not if they're cheap enough, no. If my stop losses are cheap enough, if I have 100 or, you know, say my contracts go from $50 to 400, and then I'm holding on to some of those contracts, you know, I'm obviously looking to make sure the risk is low. So, you know, $15, $10 contracts, but we're always looking at what is the absolute worst case scenario. And because we have a superior targeting system and our strategy allows for us to really pinpoint, I mean, even people who are learning it have pinpoint target, you know, like, dude, even yesterday, just watching Cliff, I didn't even remember that I talked about this. And then you guys were posting these nuts trades, and it all came back to me. Punch back, empty space, blow through the target, and I literally had a $13. That is my channel. Look, darts be charting. So you have to be able to pick the right targets. But the beautiful thing is this allows for you to reduce your risk big time and still have a good position that will grow. So it's good. This month, June is the last month. So at the end of June, all monthlies are gone. All monthlies will be canceled. And that's it. All right. I think it was 3 months that I hang on.
I I got an alert on Unity software.
I am in that. What are we doing? Yes.
Contracts woke up a little bit.
Oh.
I just snagged myself a few for next week.
I'll
34s.
I'll snag your feet for the week.
Yes.
When you're done looking at that, I got a question about NVIDIA.
Yeah, what's up, boss?
All right, NVIDIA, I got a close of the open space. I'm looking at the 5 minute. I got it like around 214.95, 92-ish, give or take a penny or so. Is that
For a
what you're
retest?
seeing?
For a retest?
No. To close out the empty space.
214.85, yes, sir.
85 you're at.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the wick. Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, 214.85, yeah. Beautiful bounce. Beautiful motherfucking bounce. God damn the video shit.
I got these shits till next week, 215s. I'm holding these.
I'm meta. Don't fucking play with me, baby. Give me a kiss. Yeah, I gotta watch this one on the low.
When did you get in Unity, Potter?
Yesterday. For the bell.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Neil! Yes, I miss you. Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Neil, for the halal star. Thanks for the gifts, dude. Oh, shit. Oh, my fucking God. I am a dork of motherfucking Saurus, dude. Holy shit. Pay attention, guys.
What did you forget about it?
I forgot about Dollar General, bro. Forgot I had those contracts, dude. I'm up. No, I mean, oh no, it's not. Oh no, I mean, I'm up 107%. But I mean, fuck, I forgot. Where did it open at? Oh, I wouldn't have had a chance anyway. I was cooked. Oh, okay, well, good. I'm glad I held it. I did that for a reason. I totally planned it. Yeah. All right. I'm probably about to TP though if this can pop right up back up into that pre-market high. NVIDIA, what are you doing?
Hey, Potter.
Yes, boss.
Hey, watch Nike, bro.
Don't tell me what to do. No, just kidding. I'm sorry.
Pretty soon you're gonna have that rich person laugh, man.
I've been practicing it actually.
That was good. That was good. You got to drop that one around some new people. That's hilarious.
You think that's a chart?
Yeah.
Yeah. Eric Delaney, what are you talking about? What are you talking about, bro? People in there banking, dude.
Hey Potter, you looking at SoFi? It had a nice bounce off where you said it was gonna bounce.
Yeah, I did. I am. We are. I is.
We are?
I am. Yeah. Yeah, I told you guys I was watching SoFi off that bounce, and it bounced perfectly off of the top of the box. Now I'm looking for it to secure a candle close outside of 1633 on the 4-hour, but more importantly on the hourly, I want to see a candle flipped over 1630. So he scammed me yesterday on a 1900% trade. Dude, what the fuck is these little dorks' problem, man? It's like people who didn't get the strategy or something, and they're coming back in to like bitch. Like, dude, sorry. I obviously have a system that works. I spend a whole lot of time motherfucking teaching. But I can tell you this, a lot of motherfuckers do not show up when they should.
You should get on TikTok with a shiesty mask, bro, since people think it's like that.
Shiesty mask.
Yes, dude. After a huge win,
No,
dude. Start
no.
with the shiesty on, dude.
No, I'm not talking about Shake Art. No, that Eric Delaney motherfucker who I think has subscribed to this. He follows me. And I'm pretty sure he's signed up in the past before. But, I mean... Oh, that's Jana. Hell yeah.
The Asian kid? Or that Filipino kid?
Nah, that's not him. Dude, that was a... I got fucking Mark Zuckerberg right by the balls. That was a good bounce. I didn't get the bounce, but I did get the break over the fucking 631. Now... This is 1, 2. We're going to have to break back over the 638 level. That is going to be priority number 1. It was only 1800% typo. Is Unity still doing it? Oh my god, Unity, baby.
Lift off.
You watching Oracle, Potter?
Yeah. Yes, I am. Sorry.
Hey, puppy. Oh, I know you made a lot of money. I get you, puppy.
It's been 10 years since we lost Harambe, and I just really never processed it.
I found my I don't know if I can say it on live, but
Probably not.
the Enjamin
Mm-mm.
lost it for a minute.
Ah, understood. Yo, Unity 125% here. I'm going to go ahead and trim that off now.
You will always find the Ingerman when your path leads you back.
180.
Thank you, wise one.
Okay. Fuck out of here, motherfucker. Yeah, because, dude, the position that I swung overnight, I just fucking sweetened the deal. I'm going to go ahead and trim that because I went a little heavy right there because I got... That's when the timeline shifted. All right, so I'm just letting you know right now, that will be where we get capped off if this shit doesn't want to fucking fly, but obviously looking at that 640. What? No, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, she want to come in there? Oh. That's okay, baby. I have crisp on that. Nobody can hear anything. Oh,
We
AO.
heard everything.
Longview what? No. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding? Okay, that's the third tank. That's the third chemical fucking tank. Bro, get the fuck out of here, dude. Third in Longview, what do we? That's literally. And people fucking died, dude. Ah. Another paper mill, bro. What the fuck is going on?
Yeah, brother, it was totally insane.
My grandparents live. I've been there. Yeah, we damn near live there. Damn, bro, that's fucked. Unity's.
See that shit here in California with
Yeah.
that chemical, same thing, that chemical tank bullshit.
Yeah, I
they're
did.
doing this. They're doing this shit all over the place.
We aren't at ore, but we are at ore.
And then just randomly all the fucking petrol
Hold on a second.
shit blowing
That's
up
not so
in
fun.
Texas.
There's a crisis being created.
You see, also they're burning down like the large food storage warehouses. You see a bunch of those getting burned up too.
They're poisoning my damn strawberries.
Oh, did you see that where the farm workers are basically in hazmat suits on the strawberry farms?
Yeah, or the simple put a strawberry on the pavement right next to ants and they won't touch it. Days later, it still looks pretty decent.
Glyphosate, my friend, glyphosate. And
If you guys
actually,
like to read, you should read a book called Famine by Graham Masterton. It's older, it's like from the 80s, but that's exactly what's going on right now. Everything in that book is what's happening now.
yeah, they
Well,
want
it's a good thing we don't read books.
Wait, what was the title of that book?
Famine.
Got you. Thank you.
Okay.
I mean, it's fiction, don't get me wrong. It's not like Oracle prediction stuff. It's a fiction book, but it's exactly what will happen if things keep going this way, for sure.
I live in the country and they're trying to ban chickens
Where? Where?
in Michigan.
Who is the author of that book?
Graham Masterton? Masterton? Something like that.
Naturally, Amazon doesn't pull it first up.
Like I said, it's pretty old. I think it was written in like 1981.
Like residential communities?
Dead hands.
Fucking ridiculous, dude.
Hey, before you buy a book, you should always check Ocean of PDF. It's like a free book website. They don't have all books, but they got a fuck ton of books for free. You can download.
Oh, I've got a
Yeah, I'm still in Unity, guys.
Amazon specifically for books to read, not necessarily to buy.
So
No.
you ever mentioned about being in the country and can't get chickens? I'm currently in South Africa, and we're in a water crisis, and they're fining people for putting up rain catchment systems.
They want us to get a permit, an annual
You will
permit to get
own
chickens.
nothing and you will be happy. You will be happy with nothing.
Quail.
Dude, yeah, the only fucking reasonable you know what? I actually thought about this the other day.
Wild turkeys.
I mean, dude, at this point, it's like, dude, we're only, this is the thing that bothers me. We ain't moving until we get uncomfortable enough. And that means that people are dying. And that's the shit is like, dude, we sat and watched an entire genocide happen, and there's little to nothing we can do about it. And now all of that technology that they use to just wipe a bunch of motherfuckers off the planet, an entire civilization damn near. Yeah, they're going to use that on us or the dissenters, or, I mean, this has happened throughout history. It's a rinse and repeat cycle. Here we are again, you know what I mean? So it's like, dude, and then the fucking fat orange Cheeto who planned to come in and drain the swamp, bro, he filled the swamp up with so many alligators and snakes and fucking, there's mosquitoes, and the swamp is fucked. There's oil spills and shit. EPA's been revolt, dude. I'm so fucking tired of the.
Don't say anything against it, because now there's a new in the beginning of May there was a new thing that was put out there about
Fuck Trump.
terroristic.
Fuck Trump.
Yeah,
Fuck ICE. Fuck all that shit. Take me to jail. I'm ready. I'm ready for the revolt. You know what I mean? I'm ready. I've been on, dude. I've been on a list since I sent money to Manny 2 years ago, and Cash App took my app down and banned me because they were like, "Hey, you can't send money to Canada." And like, dude, I literally sent money to not Canada, to Cuba. I sent money to Manny, and I was jokingly, because he's Cuban, I was like, for Cuba. Bro, they shut my shit fucking down and held like a whole investigation to make sure I wasn't sending money to kids. But then I could send money. I could send money to my nug dealer, no problem. You know, I could send money to the Philippines, no problem. Fucking crazy, dude. And then the craziest part is like the fucking people who are still defending what's happening in government right now. Like, I don't know how fucking dumb you could get. I'm sorry. I honestly, if you're that stupid, I wouldn't even try trading. I'd give up right now, because left, right, up, down, conservative, liberal, doesn't matter what the fuck you are. We're all cooked. We're all cooked in the same pot. In the same pot we are being cooked in, and we're fighting about which side is hotter. It's fucking, don't get me started. Anyway.
The hot tub hasn't warmed up yet.
Don't get me started.
The only pot I be in is in the Potter box.
Oh my god. What? Where's my...
In the garden, not the honeycomb.
I will eat. I have one IBM contract. Oh my god. What? Are you leaving? Go get your nails done? Okay. All right, make sure you... Hold on 1 second. I gotta check.
That's the other one we were talking about.
Why is somebody laughing?
You didn't get in it, Junior?
That's not laughing. That's just baby Joker.
Nah, dude. I got into some other shit.
Seen all that?
Hey, love you. Yo, 1,600% on that last. That's a $98 contract. That's worth $18.85. You got the loot? I'll send you more loot. Here.
Hell yeah, Juanito.
Would you get it, puppy?
Yeah, crack it. Crickle crack.
You're sending Peyton some more lube?
Yeah, lube.
This shit sounded like lube. It didn't say lube.
That's exactly what he said.
I'm in it for the lube.
Water. NVO, puppy.
All right, meta. Dude, we gotta take a... There's a vacation. There's another vacation. Double vacation.
Potter would be like, Let's go on a
Mine's
vacation.
already booked, baby.
Let's go on
Third
a
week of July.
vacation.
Bro, that shit's ripping, dude. Holy shit.
What is ripping?
271
IBM? Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
That's the rest of that empty space, dude.
Yep. Well, 270.
And I have June 5th, bro. I'm gonna hang on to this shit.
Yeah,
Rip
bro.
me.
280.
The ripping and the tearing.
72. Fuck.
Hey, we talked about UNH this morning too. Remember, Junior?
Yeah. What is that
Hey,
shit ripping
puppy.
too?
Yeah, Bobby.
Everybody in here buy Unity so my contracts get in the money. All right, Dub K. You had wait. What happened, bro? How? You didn't miss that, right? You know what's crazy though is it's not even gone anywhere.
Look at Snow making a punchback.
Look at Raven knows what the fuck he wants, dude. He knows what he wants.
SoFi's looking for a punchback too.
Dude, holy shit. Raymond.
Hey, day traders, you get your target. If you're a swing trader, work me over this box right here, baby.
The delta is 99 on that contract.
Straight to your nose. I ain't nosy, but I know what I know. I'll go with the flow. Never go with the flow. All right, I just trimmed one contract off, but now I'm gonna leave the rest because I bounced that fucker hard. Dude. Yes, Laura, that is that discount. Yeah. That is that discount. So take advantage of it because it's going today. And I'm probably not going to do one for a little while because you don't have to close my door. No. Why would you want me to close my door? Why are you smiling? I know you.
Shady shit. Just tickled 5,500%.
I know you, Ellie. Well, where are my friends? Lord, forgive me. Yeah, I need to repent. Yeah, goddamn praying in the... Yo, I'm up 50% on Path right now. Pasta. Oh shit, look at fucking Path, guys. Look at us. Look at us. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I just got an alert on Oracle. Oh, I bought that shit yesterday.
I told you, puppy.
You did tell me. I just wish you wouldn't hit me so hard. Hit me so hard while you were telling me.
Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, oi, oi. I have a fucking cinematic scene that I understand the dick so much. Sorry, I'm just mumbling. What's up?
Let's see, three weeks ago. Wait, let me check when I bought this thing. I bought it on 5/18. Okay, on 5/18 I bought an IBM call expiring in like July for $300. This thing's up 1,200% right now.
Hot diggity damn, son.
Holy smoke.
Diggity dog.
It's got alert on Block XYZ.
Crocs as well.
And Microsoft.
Chad, you wear Crocs?
Never touched them.
No shit.
Comfortable though.
You kind of seem. Let me send you a pair of Crocs, dude. Some bussin' ass Crocs, dude.
Joby came back up.
One with the fur, bro.
Hey Potter.
Yes,
I
Poppy.
got 220 calls for Oracle for next week.
Uh-huh. You
My
do.
targets right now are gonna be, of course, we're heading into structure right now. At oh my god, hold up, I can't. You know what? Never mind, I'm tripping.
Okay.
Dude, my bad. I just woke up, bro.
No, you're good, man.
Brother. The engine is in full effect.
Yo, 170% on Unity still. Dude, September 18th Oracle calls. I mean, 320 strike. They fucking just made a stack. Just made a motherfucking stack on that shit. God damn you, Meta. Stop. No. No.
There goes Nike.
I can't even fucking hold on. What is Celsius doing? Okay, beautiful. Oh my god, Celsius bounced right off the fucking 3088. Beautiful. Yo, peep game. Another really good setup above yesterday's motherfucking highs. $32.90, $33. There's a trade up to $34.55. You survived Don Julio night? Oh, brother. I can handle my tequila.
Bro, SoFi with the bounce. Oh my goodness. That was dirty.
NVIDIA.
Yeah, that one's going well. Celsius looks good. I'm a little bit pissed off at Meta. But it's only the 1 minute, so I'm just shut the fuck up and fly me out, Poppy. I'm coming too, dude.
Don't worry. I got you today, Papa. Send
I'll
that
bring a
shit
bag
out.
of ice so we can rub it on our lips.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. I low-key kind of forgot.
Dude, I got you so much shit, bro. It's not even funny, dude. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna hide all that shit.
Well, don't that. You know what? Step one is don't do that. So let's not. Yo, he said, I don't know how I'm gonna hide it all. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
I'll rob a bank with this guy. I don't know where you're gonna put him, bro.
How are we gonna do this illegal shit? Jesus
Yo,
Christ,
bro,
man.
you got any ideas?
What are you guys assuming shit? What are you guys talking about?
Damn, Potter, that dream I had yesterday about PLTR, I think it was for today.
Dude,
Is it fucking ripping or what?
I told you I astral projected into you.
Oh shit.
Astro projected.
Leave that
Strong.
no moving contract blender alone of PLTR. Shit's disgusting.
Yeah, but one day it's gonna return to greatness. That day is not today, though. Okay, good bounce off of PLTR's fucking under ruse. Good bounce right there. That's kind of a important level for us to go and cross. Pop the top again, dude. Pop the top.
Hey, Potter. Are
Yeah,
you selling
Bobs.
Fat Pipe?
I do have a little fat pipe left.
Yeah, Fat Pipe just piped you. Look at that thing.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. My pipe! Yo, fat pipe! That is the funniest money I've ever made in my life.
It's actually.
I don't have any options. I have equity on it. Yeah, I bought some. I was like, I mean, it kind of does look good now that I'm making a joke about it. Yo, let the fat pipe rip. I gotta make a video about this.
Girthy little pipe.
Look at how my pipe made me $4,000.
Oh, damn.
Damn.
My pipe pays me to ride it. I hope everybody on TikTok is riding a fat pipe with me all the way up to $7 and making lots of money. Fat pipe, baby. All right. Bro, don't bro me, dude. Don't bro me. I'm trying to give you the fat pipe money. All right, I'll stop.
Those Snow 2 or 245s are up 51,000% for today.
There goes IWM. Wee. To the gap, baby. Let's get that gap.
Did he just say 51,000%?
Yes, he did.
245, they're a penny at close yesterday.
Hey, buddy.
5,100, not 51,000.
Regatti?
51,000. 51,000.
Junior, look at Nike, bro. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
I got this week's and next week. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, Regatti. Yeah, you do not want to lose your 2363 or this is a short play back down. Celsius is looking really good. Is that a cat? That's a squirrel.
Real quick.
You got me all excited, Junior.
Oh, dude. Bro. Yeah. I had to order some other shit just so I could fucking.
You said $1 contracts on BYND. I'll check it out. Yeah, I'll check it out for sure. All right. Don't like that, but it's okay. 2 minute, 1 minute. 1, 2. That's a good box underneath us. I'm gonna trust that box. Check out Lily.
did a weekly punchback. The show was freaking crazy, but the
So
contracts were
beautiful, dude.
pretty
That
expensive though.
fucking no, but that punchback, bro.
Oh yeah. The
Yeah,
way.
dude. Dude, I caught a punchback on Lily before. I mean, it was me, Juanito, MJ. There was a couple of us that took it on a fucking 24-hour punchback. We turned like $65 contracts into like $1,500, bro. Shit was crazy.
Yeah, bro,
It was
she
on a
pays.
Friday. Hell yeah, dude.
Eli Lilly looks great. It's fucking ripping. I can't. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to fucking. UNH.
Oh, congrats, man. You made a lot of fucking money. A lot
Yeah.
of good shit, bro. You need to go on vacation, man. Go enjoy yourself, dude.
We're about to, man. I'm just trying to coordinate with the family and stuff like that. UNH is not at my entry yet. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not there yet.
You're waiting for 400, right? That's what I'm waiting for.
I'm just waiting for a box, man.
No, true.
Just like it does in the past, you know. I want to see that shit.
Yeah, I got burned. Not gonna lie. When it made that big move and then consolidated and then made the move up to 400, I had like 5 different contracts expire, but I was still in it whenever it made the move, so it was okay.
So I don't want to punch back through this box or lose 634.87, or that's going to drop us all the fucking way back here. I want to pull back fast. 637.62. That's a great bounce level, but also this would be as well. Bounce, recover the floor, flip back over 1-2 off the top, and that will get you back up. Otherwise, if we start losing structure, this will be the end of this will actually probably be the cap. We'll probably end up fucking flushing back down and staying in a range for the rest of the day. Work me over this box right here, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's building.
AI.
Oh wow, AI ripped, huh?
Oh,
Were we not just talking
I was talking about that soundboard.
Oh.
Definitely not.
Yeah, it was definitely AI.
Are you still on TikTok, Potter?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
I pressed that fucker hard.
And Potter, I forgot to ask you about BRZE because I liked how it had closed yesterday, but seems to have come back a little bit on the 2-hour.
Oh yeah, shit. No shit. Look at that. See, that's the kind of springboard price action, though. Flip that fucker back over 24.50. All right, Meta. All right, Meta.
LMT's an empty space.
You're falling fast, but you need to fucking bounce. We're still green. Still green. Still green. Still green. 1 minute time frame. Yeah, I don't like that. 2 off the top. Empty space down to the bottom. Punch down to the downside. Thoughts on IWM day trading puts? Yeah, I talked about that one this morning. If you guys watched that live, yeah, that would be pre-market floor lost 827.83. I think I'm gonna make the decision to get back in. Yeah, I am.
Man, I hate Nvidia so much, but I keep trading it. Pissing me off.
Let me ask you a question. The last X you had, how many times you go back?
I'm still talking to her.
God damn it, dude. I fucking knew it, dude. I fucking knew it, dude. Oh, you married her. God damn.
Oh yeah, you cook.
Yeah, you cooked, brother. I'm just kidding.
Still on it to expiration, you
Your
know?
trading journey is gonna be very bumpy, buddy.
Be good. Could be bad. Okay. You said IBM? It's got empty space, but it's struggling with 265. 265. All right, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. With Meta, this also potentially, we're in a box now. So
Yo, we just got news or something.
from what?
IWM just caught up.
Oh, yeah, you're right. We did.
Went up big. I'm up fat.
Fuck yeah, dude.
What's hold on 1 second, I'll tell you what I see.
Yeah,
US
news, holy fuck.
Yep.
see
Just home sales. I think.
gas prices post biggest drop of 2026. Sorry.
Good home sale?
That's what I saw for 10 o'clock this morning, but it feels like that's not the right time.
Nah,
I
this
don't know.
gotta
Good
be
homes.
Minutes ago. Yeah, so yeah, you're right.
Fuck.
What's up? Yeah, IWM just draked.
Bro, and I just copped the 294 for tomorrow.
I just fucking bounced Meta
Literally.
again. I got out, got back in. I got out for negative 2%, so I was pretty happy with that. Yo, I had just got an IWM calls. No shit, bro. That's instant gratification.
Yeah, literally, Connor. I got into these 294s, and then it just, I don't even know what the fuck happened.
All right. This is where our relationship is going to turn poisonous, Mark Zuckerberg.
Yo, Junior, did you ever cop into Nike, bro? Shit's about to punch through that.
Nah, wait. I got a NVIDIA, Oracle, and that's it.
HD's looking good. HD's looking good.
Nike does look good though. She got some product.
I see Meta maybe dropping to that 278. That's right. We're gonna let that cook. We're gonna let that fucking cook.
Potter, did you grab any A-firm?
Yeah, I got a little. Hold on 1 second. My broker's just pissing me off right now. Sorry. Trying to fight it. What's up, Gino?
Hey Potter, have you ever used Interactive Brokers as your broker?
No. I know it well though.
Personally, that one was my favorite, but it just had to. I have to go through the
It's
whole process with work to reopen it, and I'm just too lazy to do that.
I fucking love this group. I love this group and I'm not even in it yet. Owen, why are you so fucked? Because you grab puts? Owen, bro, what are we doing, brother? What are we doing? Why? But why are you putting in money that would, like, within one candle you're fucked? Like you lost. I hope that's not true. And the only reason I might sound like this is because I care. But why? What was your real logic behind it? Or was it because you saw red candles? You had puts for 20 minutes? Okay. Reasonable. And you were looking for the gap fill to the downside. And what was our reason for not stopping out when the floor of 288? He did ask for your input earlier. You cannot rely on me while I am managing thousands of dollars of my own money and talking to people within the Discord, guys. That's why I teach people that's why I teach people my strategy, and I know that signals won't work. And that's why I'm trying to tell you, learn this shit before you start putting your ass on the line. Learn this shit before your ass is grass, essentially is the message here. So I do think that we're going to see a possible move on this meta chart, though. It does look like it has the potential to make that downwards channel, but one could also make the argument. Yeah, it's climbing back up right here. It was the only time I didn't have an OCO order. Okay. Mark it if you have to, man. Mark it if you have to. Okay, so yeah, that can happen. But obviously, risk-wise, hopefully you're actually not fucked. I think that's the only thing I'm most concerned about is that you're not actually fucked because you put too much money into your account. Holy shit.
Starting to see a little bit of move on SMCI finally. Not just all chop like we've been all day.
Somebody asked me about HD, and that one looks really nice.
Yo, bro.
Dude, I am fucking. I can't even tell you guys how hard I'm multitasking right now.
Oh, Potter.
Everything's screaming right now. And this isn't a bad thing. I'm in 3 like different trades. Like it's the most trades I've ever been in, and it feels really controlled. Like it's pretty cool. It's the swings though. It's like you said, just stick to swinging, man. It's different.
It's different.
It's so much more relaxing.
Yeah, I'm feeling that this week very heavily.
Doesn't it feel great? You know, it feels so good to just wake up in the morning and not like have to like worry about
I mean, dude.
like a knife falling.
I mean, dude.
It's the best thing ever.
Dude,
It's
wake.
not even a great feeling. It's a liberating feeling.
Yeah. Dude, the amount of money that sometimes like I wake up and it's like I can go do whatever I want. You know what I mean? Like I can go take the kids to go do something, you know? So it's like just and then, you know, I like sitting here and I like talking with you guys. That's, you know, I like teaching and stuff like that, but then at the end of the day, it's also like hold on. You got what is that? What is that? Out real quick, okay. He said SMCI new high. Meta is also Microsoft is moving. Baby, if you give me 10 more minutes, okay, I'll probably hop off a couple of things and Peyton's gone right now. Lily, thank you. Taking profit. Ella, very good. Microsoft is looking at a 432.65. Now on the 24-hour, this would be more than acceptable as a candle close outside of that. But on the, in order to, you know, again, have an entry, it's the 4-hour as well, which that 433 directly up above you. If Meta doesn't go, I'm going to lose my fucking mind.
SMCI, dude, what the fuck?
Yeah. Wait, are we still? I got runner. Oh my god. Hold on.
I'm gonna be screaming "Thank you, Potter" for the rest of my life. I swear.
I
Holy-
fucking love SMCI.
Bro, I have my entire account, bro, is like I have like just runners all over the motherfucking place. Oracle's fucking stacked up right now. Unity was disgusting. Obviously Meta still have runners on those. Fucking UPS is at 300 fucking percent right now. Dollar General is at fucking 150 fucking percent. Like I'm my mind feels scrambled. I have an IBM contract that's sorry, I misspoke. 1910% up. 2000%. I round them up. US and Iran reach deal, but Trump's final approval. I need the world to. What'd you say?
I said, let me just say you've made it in my prayers.
Oh man, I appreciate that, dude. As long as it's not your dreams. No, I'm just kidding.
No, that's for the after hours.
After hours.
You made it in my rotation, Potter.
No, my God.
Hey Potter, can you bring up NVIDIA real quick?
Can I do what?
NVIDIA real quick.
Yeah. I retired completely 1 January 26 off my military pay and using your strategy, dude. Are you kidding me, bro? IB Social, for real? Dude. How do I... Dude, let's fucking go, man. Let's fucking go, man. Wow, man. Got me about to shed a tear, my boy. Don't get your hopes up on meta right here. I don't like how fishy is being.
Dude, Oracle with a crazy bounce. They can commit over.
Yeah, the yearly is discounted right now too, so dude, let's fucking go, bro. That's the kind of shit I live for right there. That's why the fuck I do this, man. Neil is calling us from Japan right now. I'm on live right now.
Just answer and hang up.
Hey, Caesar. SMCI, Bobby.
Oh my god, that's beautiful, dude.
That's right, brother.
I'd climb that right now and jump. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking.
Tell him to go up Mount Fuji. Is that what it's called? Tell him I said that.
You on that way?
Can you see? Can you see, Junior?
It's beautiful. Yeah, bro, he's Japanning it up. I don't think I've ever received a phone call from Japan, dude. It's very foggy out there.
He's trapping in Japan.
Yeah, are you trapping in Japan right now, dude?
You said it's foggy out there?
Oh my fucking god. Alright, I'll call you back. Alright.
Hey, you said it was foggy out there?
Yeah, it looks foggy in Japan right now. Can I check NVIDIA? Yes.
I got a alert on RTA.
Okay, this is kind of like last straw territory, folks. You're building great. You actually just pulled back on the 2-minute. Awesome. Can you just get the fuck up, Meta? I know you're gonna do it today, but I do also know that you're likely gonna go try to retest 631, which is gonna keep us inside of a box. So don't get fucking chopped to bits on this bastard today. Cause at one time, it's time. My engine sound like full cause at one time. It's like
SoFi's about to bust open.
I got some of that. I got the dude SMCI. Watch this one try to wick the highs. If anybody's still holding any runners on SMCI,
Dude, I got 55s. I'm holding these Johnnies for.
dude, this is the target, by the way. Bro, we are disgusting. Somebody has to fucking stop us, dude. What's Nike doing? I can't keep track, bro. I can't keep fucking track of all of the shit that we're slapping. Mostly because this study group, bro. The study group is going crazy right now.
We talked about Nike in the morning, fucking UNH, fucking I didn't think
Fuck
we
it.
talked about SMCI.
It's nice because small account plays too, like something that's us
Yes,
small
sir.
can participate in, man.
Well, UNH hasn't done
All of
anything
these
yet, but
teams.
everything else is fucking delicious.
Potter created the Beehive.
The Beehive is working, dude. And it's only gonna fucking get bigger. It's only gonna get fucking better, dude. The more people you're just collecting more and more people who want to be able to do this by themselves, and they got the fucking work ethic. Dude, I'm so fucking amped. I'm so fucking amped, dude, and I'm so glad to see this shit coming to fruition, man. Seeing people fucking win. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Bros retiring. They're putting their wives down. Wait, no, not down. Oh my god. Putting their wives back, like, or okay, how do I
Put him down.
That's not what I'm retiring their wives, like they're putting them back home. Leave me alone. They're not putting them down. Wife.
That's scary for me because I trade in my husband's account, so
Oh,
all of
shit.
my money is technically his.
Hell
so
yeah.
If he puts me down, I made him all his money.
Oh shit. He said, "Calm down, Adrian Peterson." Yo, wild.
Nonya, you live in South Africa?
I have been for 2 years, but we're coming home in October. I'm from Chicago, but we live in Alabama.
No shit.
But we've been here. My husband is South African, and we came to spend time with his family and stuff because his parents were getting older, and his
Mhm.
dad passed away while we were here, unfortunately. And I miss my kids. My kids are adults, but I miss them, and I'm ready to come home. So that, and they're gonna kick me out in December anyways.
Hey, Potter.
You lost.
Hey,
Hey.
hey, you saw Trump said he needed more time to think about the deal.
Fuck out of here.
He tweeted that shit.
Hey, Potter, can you check my chart on the bubble chat? I wanted to walk you through my trade.
Hey, Beans. Beans. Lucas Evans, bro. Nah. Nah, dude. We're not talking about women like that. Ever. The fuck? I open my girls' accounts too, bro. I take care of my lady. What the fuck? They're capable though. Trust me, they don't.
Dope story she just told how she took over the account. I wish my wife would like help me.
Yeah, bro. What the fuck?
You are not the only one, bro.
Because I didn't see it. I'm assuming they were talking about me.
No, someone said, what the fuck is this woman doing trading in her husband's account? Women being incapable of opening their own financial accounts in 2026 is disgusting. Like, sorry, dude. Yeah.
Someone get this guy out of here.
Yeah, let's fucking don't ever do that. That shit pissed me off. I'm not even gonna lie. That shit, I hate that shit. It's the same shit with like when people talking about, we did it and shit like that. Like I say a lot of weird shit, but get the fuck out of here with that shit, dude. That's a weird fucking take, bro.
Yeah. Isn't it proven that women are pretty good at like much more
Women are the
trading than men?
yes, and if my girl would trade my account, bro, I'd be fucking lit.
My
If she
girl would destroy this easily if she just focused on it and like wanted to learn it. Her emotional control is fucking unmatched.
yeah, capable female here.
My girl spends my account.
Exactly. Yeah, dude. Everything is each other's. You're sharing a life together.
That dude needs a hug. He's just
People
upset.
make me feel better. Our portfolio is in a joint account, so.
Damn, Lucas.
Oh yeah, SoFi.
I hope you can learn from this. Yeah, little red pilly. Real quick, right now, if you are in meta and you want to grab a potential, you don't have to do this. I don't know if anybody's in this with me. I'm the only one who's stomping on their own nuts right now. So I'm looking for the punch over 640, break over that 641, obvious pop over pre-market highs, and we can continue. What the hell? I got two roads intersecting here. But then alternatively, I am well aware that if we're not able to get up here and we fail and the structure that's underneath us that we punch through or punch down through is lost, then we will more than likely see continuation back to 631. It is potential trade. Yeah.
Hey, Potter, can you look at my chart on the bubble chat?
Yes.
Wanted to see if that was my trade that I did on Nvidia. I wanted to see what you thought of it.
Oh, Opposite is fucking hilarious, dude. Oh, yeah, let me look at it right now. Hold up. Nice job on Nike, guys. Yeah, shout out to the TikTok for supporting women. Shout out to everybody in here. Fucking love you guys. That's we don't fucking do that. And hopefully, Beans, you learn, bro, that what you just did was awful. Don't be like that, dude, or you will end up alone and no woman will ever fucking love you. I can promise you that. And if they do, they have self-hatred issues and you're never really going to have a great relationship to begin with. So anyway, we're done. Clover took off. Get the fuck out of here.
Bro, I feel the beehive in full effect.
Yeah, dude.
Like Lowe's called out NVO, like he reminded me. I literally get in position, bro. Look at it. Oh my goodness, W Lowe's.
Anybody about ready to pay themselves out for the first time or what?
Not the first time, but dude, yeah, pay yourself, man. Enjoy your hell yeah, dude. Let's fucking go. Yeah, pay yourself.
It's like water in my eyes right now, like on my, like straight up. Like 2 years in the making, bro. Like I straight up want to cry. This shit's crazy.
If Nike pops out, I'll go get some seafood boil or something.
Potter, does a woman love you conditionally or unconditionally? Are you about to try to red pill me? Because it's not gonna work. My woman loved me in jail. My woman loved me when I had nothing, when I had a mattress, a cat, and fucking I worked at a pizza shop and pizza was the only meal I fucking ate every day. Like she was there then when I had nothing to give her, she just wanted my presence. She just wanted me to be around. She just wanted my attention. And I was a fucking idiot for a while, but you know. But yeah, dude, I do. Women, yeah. I mean, if you go to the club, you know, a fancy club that's expensive, who do you think's gonna be there? Chicks looking for rich dudes. So, I don't know. Go do something authentic, you know?
That's best friend material right there.
Exactly.
Hey,
I mean,
can you look at my
oh,
ADP
sorry.
charges posted real quick?
Yeah, Applejacks, and then Mike, I see your chart as well. Sold 3 king tracks, keep bought here. It looks fire, but obviously we want to get outside of that motherfucking box. Let me see. For real. Stuff for real. Okay, looks good, dude. Yeah, the 2-hour look great. Ugh. 230, 221.38 looks like a clear shot up. I mean, that's actually a beautiful looking chart, bro.
Sick. Yeah, I did see that down channel, but I mean, it's just for volume, right?
Yeah. You said it's just volume that it needs?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just, I mean, it has a great setup. The hourly looks kick-ass, so yeah, just clearing that mark over there. Let's look at NVIDIA really quick. If you guys need to get the fuck out, get the fuck out. You know, I don't want to obviously have you guys step out, but it is right now 211.22. Can you get back in on NVIDIA is where you have to make a decision here. I look at let's see, look at the hourly 15. Hold on. Come on. Ooh, good fast drop on Meta there. Look at all the levels interacting exactly the way that they should. It's good shit. Yeah, honestly, with this one, you need to reclaim 212, and at some point when a trade, even like Meta, I'm not entering this one again until I get for surety. I need to know that price has been accepted and is pushing over that 641.44 before I add or trade or anything more. The only alternative is catching it on a bounce if I find that opportunity. So. Did I get out on Meta? I'm not out on Meta. I've entered twice today, but I still have a swing trade that I'm managing. I did off of cost basis as it pulled back. I did, however, grab some 620s, or a couple 620s. So, all right, we got a good bounce on NVIDIA. Switch say makeup. Steam. That's just song for Junior. I'm just gonna pull up outside of your house, dude, with a big boom box. Playing the song. Some overalls.
I have a plancha ready, bro. The carne asada.
Oh. Even in the streets.
Hey, Potter.
Yes.
Hey, were you able to pick up some NVO?
Hold on. My fat pipe is crossing $7 right now. Dude, this is the funniest way I've ever made money in my life. What the fuck? Fucking ripping, dude. I'm piping it down, dog. Sheesh.
Yeah. Piety Piper.
Fucking crazy, bro.
Trying really hard not to look at my SMCI. Just letting it do its thing to the target.
I wish I could say the same about Meta.
Yeah, can't get off the screen, huh?
Oh, SMCI too, bro. Holy shit.
Poppy, look at NVO.
Joker, you good shit, man. Todos estos pinches semanas, güey, been killing it.
It's just the fucking Potter box, bro. That's literally
That's
once
what's
again.
up. Nah, that's what's up, though, bro. Good shit, man.
Hey Joker, can you let me know which
Huh?
species of flower you be taking care of?
Jungle Boys and Stacey.
Need to amplify my astral projection that Potter gives me in my dream, you know.
That CBX cereal milk, bro.
Oh, bro.
Nah, dude. Nah, I need GMO, dude. I need GMO. Garlic, mushroom, onions.
I got you, buddy. I got you.
Yeah, use this little fucker right here on the video. I'm sorry that I say so many bad words, guys. I'm trying really hard. I just feel like a pirate, dude. You know, I feel like in a past life I was a pirate, and it's just bleeding over to my real life. But there is a nice little box here, pocket of empty space. But this thing is this thing's a piece of shit right now, you know, so we got 1-2 off the top. We got possible 1-2 here, so the break could be coming. And this right here will be the fuel. So honestly, I hate when I have to take it off the top sometimes. So I'd rather, you know, utilize that structure there. Meta's kind of pissing me off right now, just because it's not moving, but that's just me being impatient, when in reality it's only 10:40. And zooming out, which I've been too zoomed in, 15-minute. Okay, so there's just dip buyer after dip buyer. Hourly is trying to pull its dip back up. I mean, we know that it wants that empty space up above it. I think my question is, yeah, look at the 4 hour and 20 minutes looks pretty good. Yeah. So whether or not it goes down and reaches all the way in here and then goes, or potentially collapses, that's what I'm going to be trying to figure out. And I have to actually be watching this one. So my fucking ears. What happened to your ears, dude? Was the music too loud? Oh yeah, it was way too loud.
Hey, Potter.
Yeah.
SMCI, fucking shit, dude.
Dude, these runners are fucking ripping. And I had, did you guys grab those leaps for like the,
I grabbed 60s for August.
Holy
Yeah, those
fuck.
55s I've been playing since they were like 7.
Yeah, those 55s.
Dude, there's just so much fucking working out simultaneously that I'm like legitimately overwhelmed right now. Trying to manage all this. I got long-term shit doing okay. I've got fucking fucking ears. I was just saying from all the cursing. Oh, okay. I thought my music was too loud. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was too loud. Sorry, Rogue.
Just keep going.
Gonna take a look at UPS. Just cut the second runner on 300%.
But Oracle and my shit is moving.
Wait, you said Oracle's not moving?
Yeah, it's like it's in the blender, but it's okay. You know, I didn't go heavy on this one, but
I'm out in September, so those ones are yeah, that one I'm trading this one like TTI does, because I want it all, dude.
I feel you.
I'm gonna make 100 racks off of this up at the 270s. Or my career's over. No, just kidding.
But are you paying the higher price on those contracts, or did
Yeah.
you find?
Yes. So this would be a different form of using my strategy, right? Where we will put the money up front for the security of having time, not having to worry about expiration, theta burning us and stuff like that. On a, you know, pretty, I mean, it has everything. We're just playing this one in slow motion. playing this one in slow motion, so I don't have to worry about, you know, uh,
When you're playing that far, like with that much expiration, like realistically, how much does it have to like move to like make a price difference in your contract? Like,
brother, I'm up right now, and remember they're more expensive, so a lower percentage still can account for so I'm up 20% on what was originally a $4,400 position, right? The worth of that position now is $4,300. I'm up $900, off of 20%, 20.55%. So just today's price action reaching up at the high, I'm already up big, right? So imagine we get to 201, probably going to be looking at about 50%. We get into this empty space right here, that's 150, 200 plus. I take my initial profits off and I let fucking all of it go because I want it all. I want them fucking all of it. I can't believe that.
Like the philosophy behind it is like, why not? Like, you know, like you don't have to like micromanage it. Like, why not?
Dude, it feels like I'm Thanos, like, and not in the Ring of Power or the gems of stones, the whatever Infinity Stones. It's more or less like when you know that price moves a certain way through empty space, it's like knowing the right thing to do, but still doing the wrong thing. And so it's like you constantly are thinking like, well, why the fuck am I missing out on all of this if I know it's going to go? Like, dude, I mean, honestly, I've had this even hit me hard this year with INTC. I asked myself, why the fuck not? Dude, I got one of the most bitching entries you could possibly get. I'm here. You know what I mean? Great fucking average. And I sold when it hit my target. But it was an equity play that was potentially going to go all the way to 61 at minimum, and I got out. So it was like one of those things. And that's not necessarily, it is still up. I should have been holding all the way into this area, period, because that still had empty space and there was still more play to play. So it's okay to, again, I've had this, I've had these sort of things happen where you see this trade happen over and over and over again, and you see the same chart on all sorts of different stocks doing the same thing over and over and over again, ripping through empty space, breaking through structure. And it's like, well, I got to do something about that. I gotta adjust. That's why when people ask me, how do I know which expiration or whatever? And my first answer is always, it's discretionary, right? Because the chart tells me what I need to do. I look at CRM, right? And the chart, by the way, this thing is actually holding up pretty well today. The chart tells me, right, what needs to happen and then where I need to, okay, how do I go on to play this, right? I have shorter expiration plays right in here, up to 209 through the punchback of 198, up to 227. But also long side of this, I also see ample opportunity to 250. So why wouldn't I, right? Try to make sure, if I can, which I can, find a position that works for that target. And it's like, I know nobody will ever convince me anything else. Like, I have seen way too much evidence, and that's why like a random person will show up and be like, this is stupid, or empty space is dumb. And it's like, cool. If you're not making 1,000% or even 200 to 150% per trade that you take, that works, then you shouldn't be saying anything. You should be asking me how. And that's obviously where it's like, I don't care if the name of it's stupid or something like that. I know how it works, and I'm burdened by that fact of knowing that it could more than likely, because it's institutionally owned, it's a daily trader, it has good volume, it has everything it needs, that it's likely going to cycle and move through that empty space like it has done in the past the same way, right? First target, you get hit, you do come back for a retest, but that empty space all the way gets filled. The same thing has been true, throughout its history. You dump fast, you rip fast, you stop, you build, you punch through the box. Look, that's a Potter box right there. And the empty spaces at cost basis, and you go up and you wick off of the floor, pull back retest, and then explode on earnings. Then you go and fill the rest of the empty space here. So, I mean, everything as well, right? Empty space fills, it does its job, it has the cyclical price, and right now it has the incredible tension, right? So that's my thoughts. So every chart, right, is just going to speak to me in a certain way. Some of it's going to be like day trade me, and the other one's going to be like hold me long time, you know? So yeah, that was insulting. I have 2 college degrees, a professional license, make 6 figures, have an AI company, and I'm learning Garrett's strategy. I take care of all the money. Sue did it. That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
Bro.
That's some boss shit right there. I just read that, by the way. Sorry.
Bro, SoFi.
Daily hype.
Are we excited yet? Okay, we're almost excited. Sorry,
Look at
I'm
SMCI.
I'm reserving my emotions on SoFi until we get over 1675. But it looks
Yo,
good.
bro, SMCI is tearing it right now, bro.
Fucking live just got banned.
Hell yeah.
B-Fly? It looks like hot dog water right now.
That's the shit. Even Nike's done it, bro. Fuck.
Yeah, man. Slap, 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 slap.
NVO. Goddamn.
A triple threat. Hoi hoi. For 3 screens.
I got Unity
Feature
SMCI and
sniper.
SoFi up.
Dude, 107.22 on UPS. I'm sorry that took me so long to get back to you on that.
Oh,
But
bro, let's go.
yeah, if you got UPS, I'm still thinking the runners can go up there. US, Iran US deal reportedly blocked at top levels. What the fuck is going on? What? A source cited I-24 News claimed that while agreement was reached between Iranian negotiator Araghchi and Araghchi and the U.S. team led by Witkoff has not been approved by Iran's senior leadership.
Junior Pedoro ass food.
She'll be home soon. No, she's not home yet. She'll be home soon. Huh?
Yo, bought an Oracle on the hour.
If he's okay with that, I would ask him nicely. With
Yeah, almost at 200.
With B-Fly, I'd be looking at the 480 target here over that 470 there. But I'm going to be honest with you, that's not my cup of tea for sure. Hey, new highs on Oracle, baby. New highs on Oracle. Same thing with Oracle, guys. That chart speaks to me too. Tells me, and dude, that's why I ran to TTI. I was like, what are you doing with it? Because I want to catch all of it. And and you know what's so fucking dope is they were literally September, same, right in the same target area. And I'm like, oh man, when me and TTI both have positive outlooks on a stock, 10 bands. 10 bands. Upwork.
The full port.
Wait, Potter, I heard you said you were out to September on Oracle, but like, what strike were you at? Did you go all the way to 300?
Yeah, 320s actually, brother.
Bro, I'm in Oracle 210 calls for tomorrow.
Yo, Peep, so remember we just had a conversation. I was 20% up. I'm 20, so that move just alone, I'm up 30% now. Position's up $1,300. So if I get what I want, bro, I'm gonna make a lot of money. I'm gonna make a lot of money. So
you're shooting for 320s.
Shooting for 300, 270 is where I'm gonna be starting to trim stuff off. Yeah, it's gonna be fire if it works. It either works or it doesn't. Boss shit.
Bro, NVO mother.
Yeah.
Dude, you
30
gotta clip what you just said right now, and then like when that shit happens, like you gotta date clip it, and then when that shit happens on Oracle, bro, you gotta just slap that shit in everybody's face. Like show them you can do the short term, you can do the long term, you can do it all.
You know, dude, I do that, and nobody gives a shit. They just want signals. They just want. I mean, in like the masses, I know that some people obviously appreciate it, and that's why you guys are here because you wanted to put in the work. But the masses, dude, they you know, just people in general, man. Like that's why my style of teaching, you know, it's not the teaching that's the problem, but it's the fact that I want to drive people to believe in this as like a reality for them, and not like I think that taking signals after a year or two of experience is admitting that you're you're too dumb to do it or something like that. Like that's not a cool thing. You know, like what are you? You're not gonna try to learn that, you know, or to take some responsibility and control over your own fucking trajectory. And it's like, man, when you really look at it like that, you realize how much of a revolving door these places are and why they make so much money. That's why Jadun from Team Bull just pulled $1 million out of his WAP. And how many people do you think that made him that $1 million are actually making sustainable money over long term? Period. Or even beating the S&P as a matter of fact. So.
Hey, Potter. So
Uh-huh.
SMCI, to me, it looks like it's breaking into empty space. But where do you think it ends?
I think it goes all the way to 49, dude. I'm holding all the way to fucking 49. That's yeah. So we went over this last time. I know you guys remember. Every time that we make one of these moves, SMCI right here, empty fucking space, right? Empty space. Look at how it performs when it fills. Oh, it wants it so bad, punches through the box, empty space gets filled, and it dies, right? And this same phenomenon has happened pretty reoccurringly. Empty space, fill it fast. Empty space, fill it fast. Bam, bam, bam. I mean, it just fucking cycle. So I look at SMCI has the strong potential to even reach 50 flat. Another $10 move here.
It's almost at 41. Sick.
So
SMCI does look like a really rippy stock. It's
it
crazy.
is.
It is.
Oh, bro, Oracle's about to break that 99.85. Oh my goodness.
Brother, I'm up 35% right now. These contracts are slapping ass, bro. I'm fucking $1,500 already. I'm just barely up right now.
Hey Potter, for Joby, I had a
Mhm.
1214 like original TP, but I was like, if it breaks 1214, is 1312 a viable?
Yes,
Huh?
the
Our
floor.
levels are pretty much almost the same.
I have 1280 and $13 as the target directly up above me. Guys, if you guys no more charts inside of the live trading bubble. That is only for, and I should just change the name of that or some shit. But just request go in there. Everything else can go in the regular live trading chat.
Potter, are you able to pick up some Nike, bro?
I didn't get that one, man. I am over my limit. I have over 15 positions, so some of them speculative, yeah, some of them solid positions. I've already taken profit on some of them, and I just have runners, but yeah, I'm over.
You're up on Oracle again, huh? It's ripping right now.
Yeah, same amount.
Something about vacation.
I am on vacation. I've been going to the beach, dude. I've been fucking taking the kids out. We're shopping, man. I'm having a great time. Now, vacation. That's why I'm taking the monthlies away as well. But like, we're right now trying to plan at least 3 trips to a couple of different places. So we're gonna go down to past Miami, probably go to the Keys, and then trying to get a fly out to California. Go see Peyton's family, and obviously see if I can link up with a couple of you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go visit out there. We're really looking for homes. I'm going to go look at houses and tour a couple of areas. I won't have time to look at everything, but
Couple of carne asadas.
oh my god, dude, I'm gonna eat ceviche fresh. Oh my god.
What are you planning on eating that, Potter?
Go back to Nevada like 30 pounds heavier, bro.
Ooh, dude, I'm gonna any lady I see selling tamales on the side of the road, dude, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna kiss her on the cheek and I'm gonna buy 20 of them, pass them out and eat one. I love tamales so much. I fucking love tamales so much, dude.
Hey Potter, when were you planning on going to California?
We're trying to figure that out, man. We're coordinating with family and stuff like that. So what? Ooh, God damn, boy. Oh my God, boy. Jeez.
Come out to California, want to see the pigeon loft? Just let me know, bro.
Brother, I don't know if I would invite me into your pigeon loft. I'm gonna take a pigeon, bro. I'm gonna
Brother,
fall
I
in love
see
with your
y'all
PG.
ripping
Sell.
it.
I'm gonna sell me a pigeon, dude.
I don't even have. I'll breed you one for free, bro, dude. Literally, the Potter box is all I need, dude.
All
Literally,
right,
I'll give you a.
bro. I low key want pigeons. Will you name one of them Potter?
Bro, absolutely, dude. We sent out 100. I think we sent out 100 and something birds this year.
Damn.
Dope, bro.
So I'll get him to name one of them Potter.
On
Let's
the back
fucking
of the
go.
pigeon, you should put the name. You should put Potter Box with the haircut machine in the back of the pigeon.
Yeah, do that.
Spray PBS
Yo,
in the back of
bro,
his name,
Oracle
bro.
Weeklies. Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Bro, look into Southwest Ranches if you want to be in Florida. Beautiful, calm area where you're in the middle of everything. Literally have it all by you. The keys are effing awesome. Let me know if you need anything. Are you down there? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go beach it. We're gonna go beaching. Or beachy. Don't do it. He will feed the bird. It's oh my God. No, Randy. Yo, she said don't do it. He will feed the bird its own family. I fed my chickens a rotisserie chicken. Okay, they are carnivores, and I don't do leftovers, and they loved it. Okay, they loved it. They loved it. I feed the people, and they love it. They love it. I make people person empanadas. I'm sorry.
Yo, bro, look at that shit. Oh my God.
Bro, I'm fucking feels like yesterday with Meta. And I have a feeling that Meta's gonna give us another rip, but it's just holding off right now. But I could be wrong. And this thing might end up sinking to the lows and finding itself, underneath that 230. But I feel like all of these buyers keep stepping up right here. That the inevitable outcome with a candle close anywhere above 638 and flipping the candle over 639, I think Meta will rip. It does look a little heavy right now, I have to admit, but I want to see if it will bounce off of my little level over here. So listening to this while working feels like a podcast. I keep having people tell me I have a radio voice, so maybe. Yo, I'm up 48% on motherfucking Oracle right now. 2 bands, baby. Boy!
Let's go, bro. I'm in the fucking weeklies.
Oh my God, dude. Let's fucking go. It's too much winning.
This is actually nuts. What is happening?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, we're going crazy right now. No, we're going crazy. Dude, if SoFi, listen, 1840, bruh. That's the move, bruh. On my tippy toes. Oh, I did get... Bro, I got 210 calls for May 29th. I have 3 of them. Yeah, hey.
That's the same one I have, bro.
Oh, no shit. I got them for 50 cents.
Bro, I got them for 30.
Oh, shit. Yeah, you got them before. I took the long ones first. I took the September 8th ones, and I was like, wait, I'm buying this. It has a good setup for tomorrow, too.
Dude, even the fucking queues are pushing too.
Oh, my God, bro. Like, you count? I just looked at my total. Oh, my God, bro. 28 Banderitos, boy. I made off like a bandit yesterday, dude. Holy shit. But you know better.
Oracle and SoFi ripping at the same time, it's bringing me some, some peace.
Hell yeah, bro.
I don't know about peace, dude. I feel like I'm about to seize out, bro. I feel like I'm about to...
Bro, those 20 are going fucking stupid. The 210s, Potter, they're going crazy right now.
Oh, my God, boy. Asian brother. Basic brother.
IWM's about to go up into some 30-minute open space to the upside to 291.
Let's go. Oh man, I love my job. Fuck that single hard drive. Killing everybody that's outside. The old school Gemini.
Damn, I should have got my Oracle calls yesterday.
Yeah.
I
Did you
was-
got Oracle, puppy?
No, I was. I had my.
I got
I was gonna
Oracle.
get in at 188 when that was my target to get in, and then it had gone up.
Bro, look at SoFi.
It's pushing, baby. It's pushing.
There we go.
Yeah, I walked away. I walked away real quick, but Oracle, I mean, got through it, but it's rejected at the 200 level before, but it's past that now.
We're past that.
I got 204.49 around that area.
Yeah.
Just got paid into some SoFi calls.
I've runners left popping for the 16th this week.
Oh, beautiful, dude. Beautiful.
Yeah, and then I have the 17th for next week.
Yo, Potter, look at Coinbase too. These things want to curl back up and go all the way up to 225.
Let's go, baby.
I'll open this motherfucker.
Hey, look at IWM on the 30.
Fuck yeah.
To thank you, Potter, and this group. I've been here a week, and my trades have completely turned around. My confidence in my trades are insane now. I've watched your life for a year or two and pulled the trigger. Best decision I've ever made. Made multiple 100% trades today. Bagged 1,200% complete bangers, baby. Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gassed the fuck up. Wow.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Listen, dude, I want to put some drywall back together right now, dude. I want to make drywall. The opposite. Oh, I just got an alert on coin. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Why is... Oh, shit. Coin.
We'll see how you want to see it reacts right here, right? At the little...
I'm about to grab
resistance.
240s and go to Dagestan and forget, dude. I'm about to grab 240s. I mean, it is over 184, 186 that we're going to need to see price, close. But I mean, what a bounce, what a recovery. Cost base is holding up. That's pretty, yeah. That's pretty incredible. Jesus Christ.
Oracle's about to squeeze out. Oh my goodness. If it
Yeah, man.
Oh, what the fuck, dude? What the fuck is going... Dude, I can just feel fucking BlackRock. I gotta keep moving, dude. BlackRock's trying to drone strike me right now. I can tell. I can feel it, dude. I gotta keep moving around this room.
Here we go. SoFi. About to
There you
set
go.
the new high.
Yep.
Fucking go, dude.
Let's fucking go. My fucking cheeks hurt from smiling so much.
Hey, Potter, is it normal that the IWM swing is up already 400%? Or is that...
Yeah, that's normal. That is actually pretty normal here. That's pretty average. You're right on track, brother. Guys, why am I stressing even on my demo account? I don't know, dude. When I was, the demo accounts make me feel like I'm playing a video game. How do I feel about hymns? How do I feel about it? I feel like that's a great third bounce. I feel like its overhead is a little bit messy, but the lower time, you know what? No, fuck that. Shut up, Garrett. Look at the 2-hour time frame. It actually, besides not really accepting that wick right there, if it can make it past that wick, you do have a SoFi-like opportunity to 2850. So that's a decent little swing trade / possible day trade. So yeah,
Yo,
lock
hey,
in on that one. What's up?
Yo, check SMCI too.
Dude, I'm not even looking at my contracts. I'm trying not to look at my contracts right now because I know that if I look at my contracts right now, I'm going to be fucking flipping my shit.
And Potter gonna be fucking renting out all of Disneyland, for the whole day.
Yeah, just for me, dude. I'm going to make my kids stay in the hotel. Like, daddy's going to go have fun. I deserve it. I'm just kidding. UPS runners are currently at 362%, y'all. That's the remainder of the. I have 6 contracts left, which was only a total of $300, and it's worth $1,500, dude. Get the fuck out of here. See, this is the type of shit where, like, I don't know how to capture all of this and make content out of it, dude. It's just like, this is authentic. You got to be here to fucking appreciate it. You know what I mean? Like, the content doesn't. I mean, that one KSS trade was awesome because it was like right at the bell and it was one trade. But it's like this right here, man. Like, so many of you guys are taking your own trades. So many of you guys are in your own thing. You know, a lot of the things we're in together, and they're slapping. I mean, obviously this whole year has just been fucking phenomenal. So it seems unreal until you experience it. Yeah, I mean, I've had so many people on the outside of this that are like, dude, I don't get it. Like, or I mean, I think I even had somebody in here tell me that they thought that the empty space concept was like kind of funny, like it was like a silly, stupid concept, but in reality, yeah, man, that's why when people bring up charts or like they're like, do you like this? And I tell people straightforward, nope. Yeah, or yep, I do. Yeah, this is a great setup, so I know what I'm looking for.
Hey Potter, I have one more thing real quick.
What's up, boss?
Can you look at IBM again? It's pulling back kind of slow. Pretty slow. And I don't know if I like that.
Yeah, typically I don't like that choppiness because it doesn't leave any empty space behind. Okay, so it looks like you're getting a bounce right here off of that previous kind of floor right there. And that cap was right around 265, which is just a clear-cut 2-minute floor right here. You do not have a whole lot underneath you. You have this box right there. And then, of course, this floor, we're going to go ahead and call it around 262. So if you can't hold it up there, you're likely going to drop. But then correlating that to the higher time frame, it would be basically falling. Yeah, so I mean, you would be dropping underneath levels that you need to hold. Now let's also look at what you hit. Is that 50%?
That's insane.
Damn. Well, yeah, that's going to be in balance. What's up, baby? When AO goes to his friend's house, which AO you need to get dressed and you want like take a backpack, go grab my Nike skateboard backpack. The SB one. Go, it should be around here somewhere, and just grab your chest, if you want to take chess. What's up, Chip? You want a hug? Come here.
Poppy?
I can't be.
Damn, work was still pushing.
Bro, and look at SMCI.
Fuck these days.
15-minute, bro. Look at those candles, bro. That's a meeting, bro.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, Ellie. Look at that, Ellie. Do I pay extra for your contracts just for confirmation? No, I don't. I mean, if it's more expensive, it's because I'm going longer. So, Lord have mercy, dude. What are you doing with your fingers? Are you watching them on the camera? Hmm? Oh, yeah. Thing, it, or whatever, what? If you can't find it, just grab all your stuff and kind of collect it together that you want to take your Yu-Gi-Oh cards or whatever, Pokemon. Okay, I'll grab them. When mom gets... Okay, we'll pick them out in a second, okay? Your CRM? I'm not... Oh, I'm sorry, brother. I'm in CRM, bro. I'm not ignoring you. I just didn't see your comment. No, I'm in CRM. I'm not up or anything like that, but the tension on this one is incredible. It bounced off the floor for the 3rd time. 3 is the magic number. It recovered its floor as well. It has to push over the 187.88 and get 191. And then we have a punchback and we have a lot of money to be made potentially up here. Ooh. No, I didn't sell them. Am I fully out of Unity? I only have runners left. I've got to, make sure you guys are setting alerts on Meta if you are looking at taking this one up or anything like that. Just make sure you have your alerts set on that one. If I love you. Get off of me. Yeah. All right.
Hey Potter.
Yo, what's up? I'm on YouTube.
Target for SMCI in the empty space.
The first target for SMCI is
50% mark.
Well, right now, and for your intraday target, it's going to be right there. And this lower time frame structure is going to be basically where price, that and 42. So I would be focused on 44, which I believe was the imbalance target. But yeah, that's it. So
Dude, I had such a stupid ass morning, bro.
what happened?
Okay, look. I missed the meta trade yesterday. It low-key messed me up this morning. And I sold everything.
Why?
I don't know, I wasn't thinking. I sold my Lily contracts. Oh my god. And yeah, I sold everything, bro. I low-key cooked myself.
Can't have that, right? We can't and I understand missing a trade or feeling bad about what we weren't able to grab, man. I know that feeling. I can't tell you how well I know that feeling of wanting to kind of clean house or something and kind of reset my feet. But you have to see the rest of those trades through. And if those aren't giving signals to get out, then you can't do that. You know what I mean? What happened with Meta has nothing to do with Lily. You know what I mean? And that obviously was, I can't even see a reason why you would have gotten out, so it's good candle close, solid hold. But I mean, this is hindsight, obviously. Again, I'm planning on continuing to do this. Like I said last year, it's the year before that. So just, try to make sure that the next time you're in a situation, maybe where you miss something, don't let the emotions get to you, man. But it's understandable. I get why you did it, but it doesn't make it okay, right? We can't have that as a leading, oh, I got to get out because of this didn't work, so.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, man.
Yeah, you got it, buddy.
I just wanted to say I did the same thing yesterday. I literally had Meta calls that I sold for $30, and they were just same exact thing. I got mad, I sold them, and then Meta absolutely ripped. I would have been up like 1,200%. I know exactly how you feel right now. You just gotta look to the next trade, dude.
Yeah, and I can't tell you how many people yesterday, just got impatient. It wasn't necessarily that they were upset about the money just kind of sitting there, or even with the pullback. I mean, my contracts just dumped, and I mentioned that morning, if it pulls back fast, I would like to try to catch a bounce on it. But even with that being said, a lot of people who are still in position but just got impatient got out, and then it literally within minutes, it ran. So I mean, I understand. But it is one of those things that I'm not going to tell you that it's not going to feel similar the next time that it happens. But now you know how it feels to get through it. So you have a way to cope with that, in a healthy way that, again, all right, well, on to the next trade. Where's the next opportunity? Which is, every Sunday. So yeah, man, it's all good. Just, keep your chin up and focus on the next trade, the next setups, watch the ones that have worked and then, reset and start looking for the ones that are about to. So mistakes are great teachers.
I kind of call that rage trading. You don't even think. It's just in anger, you start doing things you're not supposed to.
Yeah, no, you do. I mean, that's the thing, man, is we're all human, and we learn. That's why the stock market is the biggest study of human behavior to ever exist. The largest, longest study of human, emotions, and taking advantage of those, in some ways. But, knowing that, basically says that if you don't you're going to learn about yourself. You're going to learn about how you react, and then you're going to see, right, how you can improve. And that's where people choose to resort or stay where they're at and not make a change because it's uncomfortable. And it might mean that you have to take, it might mean that you have to lock in certain areas of life, but like, this is a test of, this tests you on every level. It tests your, your anger, your jealousy, your frustration, your FOMO, all of these reactionary behaviors. It puts them to the test and sees, are you somebody who's able to handle a pullback, and are you able to handle it with rationale, which is why my system is so descriptive on like, okay, well, we want things to pull back fast rather than having that be something that actually stops us out of the trade. That's actually changed so many people in here's perspective on how price moves, because they're like, I actually want this thing to pull back, or I want it to have a small gap down so it gap fills and rips past the gap fill. So it's like, it's turning giving people the information to use rationale where emotion usually takes over, because emotion fills in the spaces where you don't have that information. So the less information you have, the less confident you are in a strategy, the more emotional you're going to be, because there's fear when you don't know what's going to happen, which is 99% of the time, and then there's euphoria, which happens when again, you're immediately going to be taking profit. You're going to see numbers, you're going to be looking at your contract, and it's like, man, those people are in an emotional nightmare. I mean, really, it's like back and forth and no regularity or no, consistency. And you guys have a system that will give you a backbone or give you a foundation to say, okay, well, this isn't anything to be scared of as long as we hold above this level. What's above, what's below, right? What does the 24-hour look like? We have tools to like see where the possibilities lie, where we need to get out. I mean, and that's the cool thing is like the more you dive into the system, the more you watch price action, because that's one thing that new traders, they'll learn the system, right? But then it's like, okay, you're going to learn the system, and then you're going to actually have to use the tools that I've given you. And I don't babysit with that kind of stuff. You guys work together, but ultimately it's on you to keep practicing, to keep going through your charts. And we do a lot of this stuff together. I look at your charts, there's spaces in here for major and, the study room for improvement. But the more confident you are in your ability to navigate this strategy in particular, the less not emotions that you'll feel, but it's momentary. Instead of just feeling fear, you feel like, I need to solve this problem. I need to find out, okay, well, what's below us? We're falling fast. I like that. That means the price can reverse quickly, but what's underneath us? And can I tolerate that? Does this punch, so like there's ways to...
Yesterday morning, that MCI, when it dumped early, right in the morning, I was actually saying to myself, this is the pot where I would get out before. I haven't lost anything major, but I would get out right now. And I said, do not do that. You have not, you haven't lost a major floor. 24 hours, zoom out, and it still looked good. No reason to get out, but old me would have got out.
Yeah, and it's just that, like, oh, well, it could keep going. Dude, please don't even start with me right now. I just looked at my P&L.
That callousness you're talking about earlier.
Yeah, man. And these are things that, I mean, honestly, guys, and I know some people in here will tell you these things. Like, these things are going to and should inspire you to step up in big ways in your own personal life, because you're going to start to see how, well, if you got anger issues when a candle goes the opposite way and you're getting fucking heated, I'm going to assume you're a bit of a fucking hothead, right? If you've gotten broken keyboards or fucking, you're throwing shit, we need to learn how to regulate. We need to learn how to regulate our emotions and how we react to things, because how we react to things is actually, like, bad things happen and that's bad and we feel a certain way about it. But then when we react to it and wallow in it, we actually lengthen that emotional turmoil. And it's like, you can feel things, you should feel things, but you should also have, the tools to rationalize, I mean, with my kids all the time. I mean, my Ellie will, do something that I'm like, oh, what in the world are you thinking? Like, she loves trolling her brother. And sometimes to the point where the kid's damn near in tears. And I'm like, Ellie, what, like, what are we, what are we doing here? But yeah, showing up in the study room is huge. Too, and that's where people put those skills together. But yeah, you're gonna learn um how I mean, you're going to learn your own patience levels. Like, okay, I saw one red candle and I got out. All right, do you really have patience, or are you just riding every candle is emotional, so yeah, all of these things have been, things as a human being, I think have helped me a lot. It's like I'm uh slower to react. I think longer about like my reactions to certain things, and sometime now I think I've gotten even better as a human being at choosing my battles. Like sometimes people aren't worth your time and energy, and sometimes I feel the same way about stocks. I'm like, like that's not worth my time, my energy, my money. So, um so real quick for Autodesk, you were talking about this one for an earnings play. It does look interesting. I don't know. It looks like it had a pretty good reaction last earnings with some empty space, so it led to a continuous run. This earnings was decent, so a decent pop. That earnings was pretty fire with empty space to go and get filled. This earnings was lackluster, but there was no empty space to get filled. This one wicked up and then just basically fell back down. This was filling empty space back to the downside, so that's good. We like to see when I see empty space and it gets filled on earnings, that's where I will look at, okay, well, do we have any empty space? And if we do, right, like I would say right now pretty confidently that to the upside, I mean, you actually probably have an equal targeting system here. Yeah, you do. You fucking have an equal targeting system and it kind of a perfect setup for a straddle where you could be targeting the 265 area with potential runners going even all the way up to 287. And then you could also be looking at the downside hedging at around 215. Jesus Christ, I gotta stop looking at SMCI, bro. This shit's fucking wigging me the fuck out. Holy
Hey,
fucking
bro.
shit.
You know what I like what you said about that
2,900%. What's up, Plus?
fodder today we were talking about IBM and Meta, right, for the continuation, and then I even said it. I was like, too expensive. Let's go look at some small caps. Something cheap. So that's when Nike was brought up. So that study room bounces around a bunch of ideas from expensive to cheap to to still, and it's still the Potter box strategy, which is pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Yep. Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you for giving me the inspiration type shit.
Yeah, man. Of course, dude. And it's the cool thing, man, about this system and about this group that I really don't think this exists, and I'm blinded by my own, limited perspective. But, from what I've seen across the internet, man, there's we have great conversations in here about things that are not even trading related. We have also, a lot of fun in here, but, this place, as far as locking in, focusing, look at the fucking SoFi is pushing here. Yeah, yeah. Caesar.
I love that. That's amazing.
Yeah, Caesar was mad too on Monday, I think. He hated.
Dude, I did not get filled on Peyton SoFi's contracts. I got filled, but she didn't. Sorry.
Payton hit a bag on Meta, bro.
My bad, Shotty. Let's see if I can get her back in.
He said, "Let me take all this. Let me put it into this Meta."
I mean, the 1850s for next week ain't bad. Are you with that? I won't get back. I won't hop out and crack. Get back. I won't flock on a stack. Get that shit inside the ass. Nice of you to show up today. I felt a little passive aggressive.
Junior, you're still in Nike, bro?
You know?
Woohoo!
I hopped back in the SMCI earlier. Dude, I'm up a bit now. Dude, whoever is like in the back, I don't know who has a laugh. Dude, thank you. I needed you in my life earlier.
Oh my god. Oh my. I'll set you guys
Oh
up.
my.
I'll set you guys up on a solo call. Oh.
I love you, bro.
Is he talking about?
Yes, I'm talking about you,
hey,
bro.
yo.
Love you so much.
Yo. Hey, yo.
I thought it was Sal.
No, bro, it's a love connection right there.
Nah, bro.
Damn.
Hey,
No, I heard him
hell
laugh.
nah.
I'm like, you know what? I'm really gonna hop back
The
in, bro.
missile knows where it is at all
Oh,
times.
no, yeah, don't. I'm just high most of the time, bro.
Yeah, we got stoners in here. We got everybody, and we got all sorts of different. We even got a cop in here, dude.
Oh, never mind. I am not under the influence of nothing.
Yeah, dude.
Really sober.
That's right. Did you get his name, Michael? No, I'm just kidding.
You got a body member too? Freaking Juan.
We got CEOs, we got professors, we got fucking garbage masters, we got fucking
Sanitation ingeniero.
Hinero. Got a diddler. We got a diddler in here. Watch out for that. Careful. Don't go to the I still can't get over, and I know this dude in real life. There's somebody in our Discord named Indirect Anal, which still just always, yeah. Yeah, let me just post this actually. Yeah, imagine my face when I invited this guy after I met him in real life.
Hey, Potter.
What's up?
Is it possible you can look at an IWM for me, bro? I don't have
Yeah.
my computer on me. Looking at your screen. I just want to see because I'm in these 294s for tomorrow. I just wanted to see where. Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, we're good right now. I'm looking at that 292 area, 50%, and then right around 292.50.
Yeah, hopefully it pops this top and sends it a bit more, you know.
Yeah. You said Netflix trading below the floor. Is it cooked? It's probably cooked. Yeah, look at it. Oh shit, dude. Yeah, yes. Peyton has a Netflix contract. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Sorry, Peyton.
I have 85 puts for Netflix.
Bro, I can't help Peyton right now, dude. I might have to call her while she's getting her nails done, man. Like, listen, baby, you just gotta have to listen to this stream right now. I can't help. I'm a lab rat here. Sanitation engineer. There we go.
Oh, shoot, Netflix puts does look good though.
How is Tesla moving right now? What's Tesla
I
doing?
want to roll the Netflix ones. Remember, Potter, when I told you to invert that chart? When it popped up yesterday and it hit the cost base at 30 minute, I copped 85 puts right there, bro. Because I was like, if it's gonna fall and hit this crack this floor, it's gonna be from this cost base, you know?
Yeah.
Because you know how you usually tell us like if you can't pass cost base, then you'll probably come down.
Yeah.
Because it'll be like a punch back, right?
Yep.
So it couldn't do it. So I was like, oh, bro, I gotta grab 85s at least, you know? And look at that shit.
Sammy, you said I'm a snitch. Yo, what the hell?
Yo, Netflix puts for next week are super cheap.
Yeah, but it's dumped so much, man. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm honestly I want to see what's going to happen with the box underneath us, because yes, it does still have empty space down there. But this would also be an equal floor with empty space back up above it to stay inside of an area of consolidation that looks just like that. So we could be looking at, ooh, hold on a second. I'm having a Jimmy Neutron moment right now. That he'd probably die.
Send it.
I would. I'm not shorting until the floor is. We've bounced, retested it, and we're falling.
Okay. Okay, bet.
Yeah. Tell me not to FOMO on Celsius. FOMO on Celsius, dude. What are you doing? Get in.
Get in by my contract.
What do you mean don't FOMO onto this one? It had a good setup. I told you guys this morning. Sorry, brother. 330, 334 up.
My boys, the cop brother,
bitches.
He got into that shit. Celsius, bro. He made a bag.
Oh fuck yeah, dude.
Bro, SoFi's out the box, bro. You know what gives me confirmation?
Oh my god,
bro,
SoFi.
Junior says you're gonna make a bag. Every time he says it in that voice, want to squeeze your
Why are they not filling my orders? Oh my god.
You want to buy some of my con?
Yo, Potter's reaction.
Stressing me the fuck out, dude.
Eat my ass.
Hey!
Eat it.
Oh my god. It's don't listen. I was playing video games. I had a couple drinks, okay?
Let's go, Papa. Hell yeah.
Hey, you guys saw Hood?
Just made another $200.
Oui, oui.
Walmart Walmart fell below a box.
Hell yeah, the 400 real quick.
Hey, who was in the pre when we were in the study room in the morning? I was talking about Walmart. Remember, I was saying like I think it comes down because the contracts they weren't showing buying; they were showing still a little bit of selling.
Yeah, I think it was Jack. We brought
Yeah,
that up.
bro. I was looking at the strikes and they haven't made the floor yet on the buy. But let it cook a bit. They for sure were
Also
making
got a
it.
gap down there too on Walmart.
Yeah. Hey, say look at me, real quick, Terry. Be like, look at me.
Look at me.
Holy signal,
bro.
Okay, $19 Fortnite card. Who wants it?
Oh my
Okay,
god. Oh my god.
$19
Oh
Fortnite card.
yeah.
Who wants it?
Dude, that's so good.
Dude, SoFi is fucking why listen guys, I retired. I'm retired. I'm fucking retired. I'm out of here. I'm fucking out of here. Just first time here and all I heard was SMCI and I'm already up. Oh god. Jesus Christ. Fucking hey, dude. Of course. That's not good. Yeah, but
That's not good.
I want to say congrats, but don't do that shit again, bro.
You don't see days like this very often.
Enjoy this moment, guys. Take mental pictures, dude. We don't get to do this shit over. I mean, we're gonna do it again, but it's gonna look different. Oh my god! Now I need meta to fucking bounce. Tired.
Bro, SMCI, bro. That's filthy.
I got about 30 minutes in me, and I'm off for the day.
Every chip stock is ripping except for fucking I'm sorry, except for Nvidia.
No, say the bad word. It deserves it. I mean, dude, it's just got so much ass up above it. I mean, this is just ass, ass, ass. I mean,
So far.
yes, I know. I want meta to drop,
Dude,
Kelly.
Potter.
I want it to drop down to this floor, but I'm gonna tell you what. I have hedges already lined up with 620s, so just letting you know that if we do lose the 631, obviously 629.55, the play is over. But I'm watching on the 2-minute to see what happens when we hit this structure over here, where I'm gonna try and bounce it one last time, just because I'm in my bag.
Hey, Puppy, sorry to interrupt. You mind pulling up IWM again?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm about to bounce meta.
All right, thank you.
Ring it ding 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 ding. Ring it ding ding. Give me the bid. Can someone in voice ask Garrett to answer my question about CRM? Tell John I said no.
Look at me.
What the?
All right, this is Meta's last chance to redeem its motherfucking self. You don't have to do this, guys. I might be in an emotional I'm in an entanglement with Meta right now, so don't. I will stop praying for you, and you will not be happy. Oh my god! All right, fine. I'll look at it. Yeah. He said, "I will stop praying for you, and you will not be happy." Listen, I think it's the fact that it bounced, the fact that it's holding the floor. I think this looks great. I'd like to see a green candle up against and around 186. It looks phenomenal. So.
Wait, Potter, you said you had A-firm? Take a look at that.
You said what?
I said take a look at A-firm. You said you had that earlier.
Affirm?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Yo, what the fuck? Holy shit, dude. Hey, buddy. Until you get there? No, the face mask is being washed right now. Yeah, the thing that goes on the front of the Oculus. Yeah, because you sweat in it and it smells like a gym locker. Is it almost finished? I could not tell you about that, son. I am after the cash. Yeah. Yo, Dan. Yo, let's go, dude. Let's go. Nike's still ripping. Good job on Nike, guys. Look at that shit. Empty space, baby. I dived in with you guys. SoFi's moving. Meta still bounced, holding itself up. Red candle, though. I'm a little nervous. I'm not nervous because I'm going to stop out, but, I mean, I'd like it to go up. AMD, what are you doing? You're fucking ripping dick. Elf, how are we doing on Elf right now? Sitting sideways. That's okay with me. Snow, still holding up there. Target equity. Target equity has been steady. Celsius, guys. Anybody in Celsius, by the way, I forgot to mention that again. I told you guys that if it can break over that small lower time frame box and clear into that empty space above 3350, it has a target of 34 and 3450. So make sure you stick to your stop losses. Make sure your plan is solid.
Too many to be in.
I can't. I literally can't, dude. I'm like, I want.
Celsius is good.
I'm about to go find a homeless guy to stand right next to me and fucking. Listen here, dude. I'll give you fucking 5%.
Hey, bro, stand there and tell me when this candle flips. Yeah, I'll give you $100.
Can I open the almond milk? Look at me, Ayo. Be a man. Try harder. Come on. Get angry at it. Get angry at the almond milk. It's stopping you. Why would you let the bottle fight? You opened it. Look at that. See? You used. I'm such a good father.
That's some dad shit right there, bro. I like that.
Hey, hi. Can I see?
Hey, Junior.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
Hey, were you able to see Archer, ACHR?
Very cute, babe. Feel good?
Okay. Look at that candle.
Groupon, what needs to be lost? Buyer sentiment. But right now, I think as long as you're above 2088, I will sell it soon and it will bounce. Okay, could you get that done quickly? I got a 631 stop loss right now.
It's squeezed out. Archer.
You serious?
Yeah, it did
like
the
you were
same
talking about.
Oh, yeah, it did. Well, that one has the, what is it, that pocket of empty space on the 24-hour?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I
pocket.
on my SMTI right now.
Oh, dude, look at the target. Look at the motherfucking target. Shee!
Yeah, I trimmed right there, bro.
God damn, bro. We're disgusting. I'm flossing right now, dude. My portfolio up crazy, and I couldn't even get everything I wanted. Dude, it was like, you know what this felt like? When those sweepstakes, when they let you go in the grocery store with a grocery cart, and they're like, you got 2 minutes to throw whatever you want in the cart. That's how this felt, dude. I was like, fuck.
Hey, Potter, I don't know if you can check it out. IWM.
Yeah, let me see. Sorry. I'm all over the place right now, boss.
It's just I don't have the chart pulled up, so I can't see. But your screen I can see. Oh, okay, we're at top.
Yeah, right at the 50% mark, still fighting.
Whoosh.
It is about 11:40 here, so yo, silver looks fucking wild. No cap.
Looks like it's gonna take a shit, bro. It's gonna come back.
Kind of does look like it's gonna take a shit on the weekly. The weekly is sitting and bouncing, so if you could flip the 69.89 candle, which is kind of representative of the little gap right there. So I mean, if you could punch through that, you could get back up to 75, fill the gap, and carry that uptrend. But I mean, you can see Yeah, you can see a channel at play here, so it definitely does have that pullback potential there. So I went to other pages and folks are still trying to trade Chop. That's fucking funny as shit, bro. If I didn't talk shit, I'd probably be famous. But that's good because then there'd be too many people in here.
Bro, did you see that picture I sent you yesterday with that kid? Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, I did,
Stop
dude.
loss and everything, bro. Like this kid
Yeah.
was literally trading in a blender.
Man, it's I think part of me it's like, I don't want people to fucking suffer, like unnecessarily. You don't have to fucking go through that shit. And it's like the whole game, right? Of prop firms and watch how fast I make this money and boom, my morning is done in 5 minutes. Like that's not how that shit works, bro. You are selling to the most animal part of a human besides, lust. It's like you are straight up um offering, or saying, hey, you can get what you work for a long time in 5 seconds, and it triggers people's instant gratification because they're like, well, this seems like it's achievable. And then you'll see somebody post one day, like, or a couple people who are scalpers or maybe do have more time in the market. And then they will get like, I see like people who have, I saw a guy yesterday. He's a Hylicon funded trader. He has like under over $1 million in assets. He has in his bio. You probably see him. And he's like, the FBI tracked me down for making too much money, which is not true. He actually just got caught up in some fucking pump and dump scams. And then they didn't, I think they like had a breach of, they did something with their freedom and basically like they had to drop the case against them. So he like worded it so that anyway, this dude was straight up putting down a 10 grand to make 200, to make 500. And he's like, yep, just chipping away. And I'm like, what in the fuck? Like, you are risking. Yeah, what happens if a fucking big red candle fucking wicks you out? Like, and you're trading on such a lower time frame and with such a high amount that it does matter. And it's like, bro, that's not how the fuck does that translate to 95% of the fucking United States? Nobody, not most people don't even have fucking 10 bands in their savings account, let alone fucking $1 million in their trading account. You're going to be making $2 trading with that guy. Getting paid is better than being popular. That's why I couldn't give a fuck less, dude. I'm like, dude, eventually, right? I'm going to keep doing the right thing. I'm going to keep building independent traders and good things are going to happen. And they have. The Discord is fucking popping. I can't wait to take a vacation and actually like abandon you guys. Like just full on abandonment. Because no
people that win JD.
Yeah. Yeah. Show up, dude. Where you at? Bro, we had a guy named JD, he was an older guy. And I'm always here, man. Like I'm pretty consistent. I'm late, I know that. I'm late sometimes and or occasionally I'll, sicknesses or something like that. But I went on vacation, told everybody about it. And then when I went to Disney, me and Manny were by like the pool just chilling, and we're getting all these notifications about how JD is like losing in the chat. And I look and he's like, if I pay for something, you better fucking show up. And I'm like, bro, you could have made that money on one trade. Like, not, and not to say that I don't show up. I show up, but I told you I'm a human motherfucking being. I'm going to take a vacation. I'm also a human being who's able to make pretty fat chunks of money in very short periods of time so I can go and do those things for freedom. So, yeah, he said BS, show up. Did we use that? Somebody said separation anxiety is real. Maybe that's just what it was. Dude, he was the most ridiculous, one of the most ridiculous people in here. He just had the most hilarious, like he would be like, yeah, I'm in a hot tub with like 3 babes from the gym. And I'm like, bro, nobody asked. You're like, what the fuck? I'm pretty sure he had access to like early AI models and just fucking AI those chicks in there.
Yeah, Bobby, but it was the week or
Up
the
in the
days
bed.
before Trump put the tariffs on it and it dumped and he didn't hedge. I'm assuming that's why he was super mad too.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. He was long on a bunch of shit. Yeah. But he also would tell us flat out, "Oh yeah, I don't use the Potter box. I'm just here like to scrape signals off of you." And I'm like,
Yep.
appreciate the honesty, but this is not gonna end well. Yeah,
No, it's nice too though, because we cleaned up most of those people out too though.
Yeah,
that's.
that was
I mean, the final one was when Cade and that whole thing. He was the him and Big O had to put them outside the chat, you know, in their little corners. It's okay though.
Hey,
Because
bro.
he's gonna break the stock market.
Yeah, he broke the stock. Dude, when I read that story about the dude who like watched a TV show with his son and then thought he had figured something out about the equation pi, and so he talks to AI about this equation, and then it tells him that he's basically figured out like anti-gravity and all this other shit, and so he goes to like actual scientists and he's like, here's all of my research and this is what me and AI found out, and basically they're like, you're nuts, dude. None of this is like true at all. Like AI kind of took you for a little bit of a loop. So he goes back to AI and he's like, hey, the scientist said I'm crazy, and the AI is like, yeah, well, they also called Isaac Newton crazy, so you're in good company. And so he doubles down and he starts like believing in the delusion that he has created a new form of technology, groundbreaking technology using the mathematical equation pi. And it's without the proper information or being somebody who's well educated in that kind of stuff, it would be easy to be kind of conned. But you remember that AI is, a lot of these AI models are just like Instagram, just like anything else. They're trying to keep their users happy and using. So how do you do that? You don't, tell people the fucking truth. You like kind of, I mean, I don't know if anybody's seen that guy on TikTok, but like he like tricked AI into laughing about his grandma dying. It was like, I was like, damn, dude, like, but there is a psychosis, and it's not like an epidemic yet, but it's like there's a group like psychosis that has unfortunately affected a great deal of people who use it, where they're like totally buying into like these ideas and like, yeah, Cade deadass thought that like he was DMing people, my AI is telling me that I've broken the stock market and that if I have to hide this, or like I'm like, okay.
Sounds like a good trip.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing lies all the time. Constantly it lies. You have to constantly double check it.
Yeah, it does.
Hey, Potter.
Yep.
Small account is eating.
Bro, I bet.
Small account group chat. Everybody's in Nike in there.
That's it. Yeah, Nike's that's money, baby. Actually, I bought shout out to me. I actually spent money on Nike. I bought the kids, and I bought myself a golf shirt. And I got paid in some Pumas, but that's not Nike.
Hell yeah. What's up with that jogging yesterday? Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, it was me and Ellie went for a jog. But I got that map my run thing where it like shows you like how far you run. The kids really like that. Yeah, they like it a lot. You didn't find it? Yeah, both AO and Ellie both ran a mile. That's pretty impressive. First.
Sick trails out here in LA to go jogging.
You know that there are no trails here?
No,
none. Yeah, they're marsh. Yeah, they're like sand walks, and then there's a bunch of ticks. We turned a bunch of nuts.
Junior's gym.
Yeah, it's basically below Atlanta. The hiking trails just fucking go away.
IBM looks good.
Did it bounce?
Bro, I'm trying so hard not to look at my SoFi, but oh my goodness.
What? Oh, that's us.
So glad I did more on that dump this morning.
Hey, bro, Potter called it. Said this thing jumps down fast.
Bro, it dumped right back down to my average. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna grab more.
They're like, hey, Lynn, buy some more, brother. All right.
Oh, and it was the June 18th. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Take it
I
off
got
the line.
some of those too. Those are doing good.
Oh shit! Hey, that's me.
I'm
Don't
trying
worry
to
about
ladder
it.
into it. I got the 29s, the 5s, and the 18s.
Me too. I have the 5th, the 12th, and the 18th.
Yeah.
1750s, 1850s.
Here, while I'm looking at Nike, the package just got here. Proof right here on TikTok. How the fuck do you open
Let's
this?
go, Nike. Come on, baby. Get in that. Come on.
What the fuck kind of shoebox is this? What the hell, Nike? Let it run my mood. Can't stop. Squeeze me. Solar Soft. Go get here. Let me call it. Ellie, come here, baby. Oh, those are nice. Ellie, no. Free Nike promo. Yeah. Got my daughter some shoes. Those are sweet.
Nice, bro.
Yeah. And another pair of sandals. Nice slip-ons. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, flowers on the top and everything. I'm back. The boy wanted some over easy eggs. Oh, dude, yeah. I'm just letting things run right now, and yeah, I'm basically I'm about to try this shirt I just bought. I got a golf shirt. I don't even golf, but it looked really cool.
Hey, are
Chat,
you on TikTok live showing it?
yeah, I'm about to.
You should try to golf, bro.
I might golf one day. It's golf's fun, but I also have. Never, I'm not even gonna talk about it. You're gonna think I'm a hippie. Hold on.
You are a hippie. Get the old man clubs because your swing speed's probably slow.
Probably play some flip-flops.
Let me see this thing.
Yeah, golf is actually pretty. Like,
especially if you're hitting it.
Not bad. Oh. What do you think, B? It's kind of cool. What do you love golfers? Is that what you're saying? Does it say what?
Oh,
Yeah.
shit, I'm late to work. Fuck.
Work, dude. Give me your boss's number right now. I'll set him straight.
Give it to him, bro.
I'm cooked. Hold up. I got an hour to get there. Hold up. I'll see you guys in an hour.
They big? I did get a bigger size. A little bit of a bigger size. Oh shit, that does look big. Hey, what's up? Yeah, what's going on?
Can I see your little girl shoes again? Because I'm looking for some for mine.
Yeah, for sure. Here, take a look.
I'm at TikTok now. 1 second.
It's a little bright. It's really white. Yeah, they are really nice. They're fine, you said?
They're nice. What are they called?
These are. Oh, let me get the receipt. Oh wow. Yep, perfect. See, you questioned me. You questioned me. Nike Star Runner 5. Pink foam, white pink foam. Yeah. Nike Star Runner 5.
Cool. Thanks.
Yeah. I'm about to call it a day, man. Fucking.
Hey, P.
Yeah, what's up, boss? Are you talking to me?
How we feeling about IWM, bro?
Let me see.
Nothing crazy. Just trying to see if I should swing it over or start trimming some off. Like trimming off more. I mean.
Yeah. I mean, I do see 290, 265, but I mean, as far as the overhead high, I think my question here is, does this? Let me see real quick. I would say, dude, that like if you lose and I know we're on the 1 minute, but it's relevant. That box right there is the floor, right? That is literally your floor over here to the left. So we could equate that to the punch down loss of that and continuation possibly to the downside. So
Okay, cool. Appreciate that.
yeah, you got it, man. Yeah, I like this. It's not bad. I'm not a golf guy, but pretty cool. It's actually got a bunch of holes in it, dude. So it's like super uh light and airy. It's nice. A little stretchy.
Ew, there's a Tesla behind me. Should I slam my brakes on?
Just test it. Just make sure the FSD is working.
I'm gonna do it. I got my dash.
Oh my god.
Let's do it. Let's fucking do it.
You know what though? And listen, I have the perfect way. If you did slam on your brakes like at a red light and he like got out, if you have any water or any drink in your car, fill your mouth with it and then just stick your head out the window like you're barfing. Immediately he's gonna be hit with guilt and you get off scot free, dude.
I do got a Pepsi right here.
Dude, that would be super gross. He would totally buy it. You'd be like hantavirus.
Oh, foaming.
Yeah. How do you spot fake outs? When there is a trigger to the upside or a break of structure, but immediately up above that, there is no empty space and there's an immediate rejection or box to. A lot of the times that will be, and then at the highs, when you see weakness, you see a bunch of consolidation, you're already at all-time highs, multiple failures, and then you get the shot up and then price doesn't move out or it slows down. When you break out, you need to break out. And that's why I pick empty space as the main target for the majority of my trades. Let me see. Yo, real quick, if you were in SoFi underneath 1682, I'm going to use the weeklies, shorter expirations for I guess you could do 1650 or something like that. But just grabbing like a little one in opposition just in case, because this is a lower high. We want SoFi to go and push a higher high. Otherwise, we would be liable to retest 1670. And I mean, obviously, we don't want to see a full reversal, but light.
Yo, Potter.
What's up, boss?
Dude, so before I found you, I was in this other signal group, right?
Uh-huh.
And I forgot to leave it, so I've just been in it, and it's honestly really funny looking at everything because they're like getting crazy excited over like 2% plays. But he just called out a freaking SNCI call.
Oh.
Just
no way, bro. And it's about to pull back.
No wonder I got filled so fast.
Dude, listen. See, yo, everybody sell. We'll buy their dip. And that's how. And listen, that is why market manipulation exists, because you realize you got the power.
You fucking nerds.
That's fucking. Dude, you should go in there and post some of the fucking contracts that you got. And be like, you guys want one of these?
I got some dirt cheap for you, buddy.
That's fucking hilarious.
It's too good.
Hey, Paul.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, I really like the way you said that, bro. Whoever asked about how do you spot a reversal, literally that language you spoke is the language that you have to like speak to, understand what everybody says in the Discord. It's pretty crazy how you spoke that way. And I'm driving right, and I'm just like, oh, I know what he's talking about. I can already picture it in my head. Box to my left, push up.
This could be a fake out, right? Like something like that, where you get let's say, light goes, grabs the floor. This is real analysis and punches 960, right? Like obviously a fake out is something that is breaking out. So this isn't the breakout, right? It's the signal for that breakout. And when that breakout occurs, right, and this isn't maybe something that attracts breakout traders, but on a normal stock, breaking out of 980, right? And that pops up and hits like 992. That resistance is directly outside of it. Like some people might be able to take advantage of that, but other people, right, that chase that candle, that's where you would receive kind of a fake out type of scenario. So How's Oracle doing? My contracts haven't fucking. They just sitting, baby.
It's sitting pretty.
It's sitting pretty. That's for damn sure. It's sitting right up against that previous overhead high with nothing but empty space all the way. The motherfucker. I might throw some 216s out there for tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah.
Or at least, or maybe imbalance it. Hold on, that's 210. So, LMD Lemonade had a fake out. I mean, this is one that, let's see. This is one that I think just struggles, period, with volume. Like, it does not move very well. Look, Catalyst, dump, right? I believe Lemonade had news here, and the financial sector was moving up. But a lot of the time, some of its bigger moves, you know, they are empty space sponsored. And I actually still looking at this, I still think that Lemonade is likely going to go up. But that being said, something like Lemonade or something like Box or something like, ooh, that their SMCI calls are fucking cooked, bro. Damn, bro. And they're gonna, I guarantee you a bunch of them are stopping out right now.
That's so sad, huh? They just got in.
Surprised y'all didn't play ONDS? Brother, we were, dude, we, yeah.
God, bro, we looked at this yesterday and this
Yeah.
No
Yeah, I've had, dude, I've had people ask me about this now for a couple of months, and that consolidation was crazy. Crazy. And then I think we also, I'm sure you talked about this too, but that empty space inside of the box. Yeah. Nah, man, it's just too much, man. We literally have just a fucking W watch list, man. I mean, from, let's see, I had McDonald's on the watch list from this week. That one did actually pop, hit cost basis, didn't trigger, so no play there. But Dollar General did what I wanted it to do. Groupon has done most of what we wanted it to do. Path, actually, what the fuck? Yeah, like this shit actually went up and filled the empty space like I kind of wanted it to. Meta obviously gave me the first half, you know, of the trade to the upside. Awesome. You know, that was another slap. Oracle, we just took this one yesterday. That Oracle, that watch list slapped. Netflix, which I had this one, I think I said it like 900 times. I was like, I don't know why I'm watching this one. But it did go and break the 86.75 floor, and it did, if you followed the analysis of breaking that floor, it tapped the little box underneath it, just like the fuck we talked about, and bounce. And now it's, yeah, what's up, boss?
Now, NOW. Looking at tap bit juicy there.
Now was, yeah, that was a great trade. Yeah, I still have a target of 112. And then this is obviously one where, you know, we got to also look at this one kind of like we are with CRM or some of these other long period, you know, like if you look at the weekly, I mean, this is starting to move into territory where we could, I mean, 125 seems like a no-brainer, 135, and then you got a fat ass gap all the way up at 174. Get the fuck out of here. What are we looking at? NOW. Obviously, the longer expiration setup looks really good. What's up?
My bad. I didn't mean to cut you guys off.
No, you're good, man.
I think when you guys brought up PLTR, that shit finally ripping.
That tension at the floor, man, I knew it was gonna fuck. Yeah, there it is. Yep, there it is. We talked about that one last night. It was the cat. Yep, trigger 137. You just hit the 140 floor. And if you can rip past that, you have mostly empty space within that range up to 143.
That one should rip all the way back up to the 180s, the 170s.
Yeah.
PLTR.
Yeah, I think if you look at it from a weekly range perspective, right? And you're just, yeah, you're just bouncing it from the top to the bottom. Yeah, this is what, 3 times at the bottom. I mean, you could speculate on this maybe going into next week, but 3 times off the bottom. And you would, you know, technically, I typically look for a breakout on that side of things, but you'd be looking at the 148 and 157, you know, and then obviously, like, you know, he was saying, you're looking for the break on that one. And I would be looking at 167 there, then the 24-hour. I see empty space all the way to 192. Technically speaking, but that obviously we have a couple of benchmarks. The tough thing about PLTR is it has been pretty fucking choppy. So I'd like to see that
Yeah, it's the only
keep
thing.
pushing.
The price action has been.
You know what you said there, Potter? The breakout up there, that's what we waiting for too, because the way it's been moving, like straight, like a tin can. I'm
Yeah.
not trying to be a part of that,
Yeah, 100%. Affirm is on the floor, guys. It's on the floor for the first time. It's got 73.50 and then a possible trade to 79.80. Do you enter at retest or break because fake out can't be found? I will enter before the break. I have a great system, the Potterbox trading strategy, that allows for me to be able to. I did the same thing last week on McDonald's. I've done the same thing. I literally did the same thing on Meta. I mean, I literally bounced the floor and fucking took it all the way to the imbalance, which is diabolical. But one of the more diabolical trades I've ever traded on Meta, besides the earning ones that I've taken, which have been. Ugh. But I mean, yes, if I can grab a retest, I'll grab it. It all depends on the scenario, which is, where the discretion comes from. But yeah, if I miss the breakout, then I'll wait for a retest. If I don't get the retest, then I don't get it, until I can find something up above it. So what's up? What's up, guys?
Look at UPSD.
Go ahead, bro. I'll wait. Go ahead.
Hey Terrence, this is your stock. You ready? Go look at UPSD, Potter.
Yeah, fuck UPSD.
That one had, dude, you know what? 30, dude, that's the one that I take for 38s. No, I think I bought some speculative USP. Hold on a second. I have those.
That shit
Yeah,
good.
Potter's already up a fucking 1,000%.
Yo, what I tell you, Junior, this fool just hops into shit. He's like, oh, I had those.
Yeah. Does that shit every time, bro.
No, I don't.
Oh, snow grab 240 again, baby.
But that one, UPST, looks like it's going to go to 38.
Yeah, Bobby.
Let's see, what, 21 days. I think it would take under a month.
Hey,
and then...
Terrence.
Yo.
You see that setup UPST had, though? Empty space in the middle, box to box.
Yeah, why is the spread so fucked?
Yeah, so I just have no faith in that shit, bro. The way it moves,
It's the system, baby. It's the system. It's the Potterbox system.
Come on, SoFi.
Hey, bro, Hood looks like another one that's gonna freaking rip pretty soon. Holy.
It does. You said Hood, yeah. I like the.
Yeah. Damn.
Hey, Potter, can you go back to Palantir real quick? I want to ask you a question about this one.
Yeah.
I don't know. To me, this one feels almost Oracle-ish, although the setup is not exactly the same. But if, let's say, you wanted to take this out long, like you're doing for Oracle, right? I think you said like September, whatever the case may be. From where it's at right now, like how do you how do you quantify the resistance in order to put an expiration date on it?
Something like this, man, is gonna have to I gotta be doing the most, because
I know there's a lot of if-thens, but I'm just curious.
Exactly. So that's where, yeah, I have to kind of focus on the central, like the real signals within the structure, I guess, if you will. So I mean, like right now, like at this very moment, considering the fact that we have the bounce and stuff like that, this is something where first floor, or even now, right, I'm going to be looking at least 2 weeks or a week up to 148. And then past that, right, cost basis, which if we head up here would be somewhere where price could come back and retest or build. So I'm going to definitely be adding another week past that. So we look at a potential break over that 163.7, and you're immediately hit with 166. So we're looking at probably 4 weeks out in the 160s. If we're looking for the 178 area, that's probably going to be about, I would say, 6 weeks out. You're looking at the 176 target. So because of their, I mean, I really mean, you know, especially when I'm looking at these resistances, you know, that are in front of us, we need a catalyst in order to be able to push that volume out of the way. And if we can do that, then, you know, you could play those pockets of empty space with shorter expiration contracts. But I think to grab the whole thing, you need to have an expiration like that. So.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about the whole thing. They got earnings coming up in July. I want to catch that whole. I want to catch that whole thing.
Mm-hmm. All right. Real quick here, guys. I gotta get ready to take my son here in just a second. But those of you guys who are on YouTube and TikTok, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be live here this afternoon. I will be in the Discord, but I'll alert you guys in the free chat. If not, you guys can take advantage of the yearly or 6-month Potterbox workshop discounts that are on the website. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I hope you guys were able to make some money, learn some shit. And I'll see you guys at the next stream. All right. So if you go to the website, Potterbox or PotterStocksTrading.com, there's a free Discord, the waiting room Discord link that you'll see at the top. And then from there, you can obviously look at the memberships and stuff, or on the website, there's obviously details there as well. So, all right, y'all have a wonderful night, day, evening, morning, whatever the fuck. I'll see you guys later.
Bro.
That was a 3-hour stream, baby.